You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. And as usual, they don't know some love me say. But guess what now? This is a movie rich today, broke tomorrow. From the shooting from the phone perspective. So guess what now? We're done with that something now. I will jump back on the camera days and we are working and put on some nice little stuff. I mean, no, not like what I go on, not true. But as I said, this is just for, make everybody can find 1, 2, and 3 episodes on one, one place. They must watch it and enjoy themselves. But guess what now? Welcome and to all the family members who are new and all them something and rated. We are pushing and we are doing some serious work for 2026. I want to thank everybody for the support that they have been giving me, from the start. I not start last year. You know what I mean? I said from the start. So big up on yourself and thanks. This is episode 1, 2, 3 of Rich Today and Broke Tomorrow. I just saw it go. Cause some people live them life like them just win the lotto. Yeah, you know what I mean? So guess what? Watch it. Share, like it, comment, no? No one going still, cause you know what I mean? Watch it.
Rich today, broke tomorrow. Make sure someone do the right thing, guys. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, and share.
Hit the notification bell.
Exactly. Love
Tell
you
a friend
guys.
to tell a friend. We out.
To subscribe, to subscribe yet.
Cause if yesterday I broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. I live my life like I just win the lotto. My dream, buy big Benz and dress clean, shell every bar like a crime scene. Do you know what I mean? Know what I mean? Cause yesterday I broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. Me I live my life like I just win the lotto. So me I go come millions, millions. Got me gal on the billion. She act so silly. So me Africa Shelly belly big pop and love the way she whine. Love the way she take outside. Get to use, get to tree. Public report. Because if me race today I broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. Me I live my life like me just win the lotto. Hey, ain't no Ponzi scheme. This is just a dream. Yeah. Cause if me race today I broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. One life to live, one mouth to feed, yeah. Pasta, burger, chicken, pizza, curry goat. Still none yam no pork. Goodbye mackerel, see you until me broke again.
You can't check back now.
What happened? What?
Let's stay, sir.
What still do? How stay?
Aggressive.
Eh?
You can't smile. Attitude to every day.
Me I come from my business. And
So
me I don't want a problem. Me never say me not happy to see you, you know.
But
Me
that's
just
not
not
fair,
see
yes,
you
man.
right now. And me I come from my business. And you stop me. What you say now?
I come to you about today.
Eh? Which important thing?
Yeah, man, say still, I'm glad to see you. Do me like you look, you know. Your skin look bright and pretty and such, you know.
You talk like a pervert now. You talk like a pervert now. Me your sister for Christ's sake. Don't tell. Don't tell. So me I live in the same place and you tell me look bright. What them words that come from out your mouth now? What happened? What you look for me for? Eh? Talk.
I'm like me. I'm not going to look for it. I'm not going to look for it because I'm not going to listen. But anyways, me, I say, I want to think, I want to investment I'm going to talk to you about still. Cut you long story
Taking
short.
money?
No, I'm someone we can't make. You know, make yet. What you gonna make? You know. Come and see me get a powerful gym last night. Powerful gym last night. Me can tell you what they got play. next in a cash pot in a case the first 2 jobs them are going the dream see them. Nah, miss the last job. So that's on 2 grand we are calling to find an idea, you know? So I can go and feel the idea. You know, invest in your brother in a
I get 2 grand, you know. But let me tell you this. You see the dream the way you see you get. You see when you win, if you win, I want my cut. If you don't win, don't buy me 2 grand and carry on give me. Come in and understand you with this dream where you are as a get. Why else come to me dream? You just always a gamble out the money, so.
you never have a dream, man.
Eh?
You never have a dream and believe in that dream, so you're going to achieve that dream. Like Martin Luther King.
Me get dream, yes, but I am not like you. I am not like you. You just take the money and you go gamble, and then you're not save.
I said, come on.
Listen,
Bruk to the rich man.
you're not gonna work so. You're not save. You have to save. You have to think about a morning.
Man,
You understand? You have to think about next day. You can't just live so. Borrow. You know what from borrow from me. You're a big man, you know. You're a big man now, you know.
See, you're bigger sister, so that means you're bigger man.
When me go out and me go get my money, you don't know how me get my money.
I'm not busy about that. No, I don't mind business that.
Exactly. You're not busy about that, right? So why as I get a little dream? Why as I get a little dream, bro? You run if you come to me if you borrow money from me. Eh?
I'm big sister. I'm big sister, man. I'm big sister.
Yo. Sometimes I wonder if we have the same mother and the same
come on,
father.
come on with him, man. Come on.
Yeah.
Money, Japa B side. Come on, man. I just want 2 grand.
Weird.
I like your smile, man. If you tap tough up your face, man. You can't look fit, you know. Hug your face, fit, you know.
What on?
I'm brother-in-law.
What on? I mean, I want to... What?
Brother-in-law. See?
Look, you can't have brother. You can't tell me about brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. Which one of them?
Yeah. You have to me. And you go and still. I don't want to time get late, you know. I want to make sure I catch a job. See?
Go and catch it and make sure so when I win me get half of that money they call me. I go come out on social media and tell it. Everybody! All in name of them me I go tell say, oh, he win the cash pot and he not give me no money outright. Yes, I may take your code for it too, so go on.
No worry yourself, man.
And remember me tell you, if I lose, bring back double the money and bring it. Come!
Come like you don't
Alright.
believe in me, you know.
One way they go.
Come like you don't believe in me, you know. You see, we gotta do the right. God is in it. God is here, but believe.
I jump.
Princess,
What?
where you going?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, property. Oh, Peter, get a put it on in.
What you want?
Wait me someone. It's about time you go home now.
You know, so if you take one home to your wife, you know, you know, one home to your wife.
I just somewhere, problem there, yeah. You know, that's not coming.
We are drink.
Serve me one white rose picture. That one run us. You see? You see? So, that's what you're going to do.
No, they are work.
So, every time I call the phone, I just please, you've reached the voicemail.
So where you coming from?
Eh? You miss me call the phone? You can't go to the beach and you can have good times, girl.
Can me go beach?
Oh, you mean? You know, go to the beach and you go to the river?
Here's some shot at beach.
Alright, since you like it's river.
You know, I'm not going nowhere with you. Go and cry your wife, or your wife if you carry.
Oh, Jesus.
Every day come and I have to tell you the same thing. Why go carry your wife, man?
No, man, you know.
Why you want to carry me go beach or river? You have a wife. That's all I'm doing. Walk on and look everybody. You know what you, every time the next bartender come I say to the tell her.
Which bartender? She tell you that too?
Of
That's
course
tell
she
you?
tell me that.
What she tell you say?
She said every time you come here, you want Kara go somewhere.
Yeah, cause she went to church. I'm tell her. I said, me never.
But you not got church, so you
Let's have a food. That's it.
you know what? Come to stop.
Go on, let's understand. All right, yes. You want something to say?
No, me alright.
I'm here to say. Every woman need a man, a good man. Whole the night time. I'm gonna say whole and mean say just make a sheet. You forget about the sheet. Yeah?
So what makes you a good man? Oh, you consider yourself to be a good man?
Because I know if you do, I know if you handle myself, no? No?
Look here now.
Just give me the chance, man. One chance more.
Here.
Just one chance.
Me gonna tell you like how many hours I tell you. Walk home to your wife.
You know when I'm coming back? Are you when I'm coming? You know what's bad? You walk past on the road and you broke my toe. Eh? I don't know that.
Well, I appreciate the fact that you come spend your money with me, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much. But look here, I don't want nobody. You hear me? I tell you, don't want nobody. You have your woman already, so we want other woman to do.
Woman.
I don't know.
I'm saying, you're good. Yeah, man, everything going
Yes, man.
I am fine from.
Like a charge, man.
Charge, man. Put it down.
Then we get a charge, we get a special on the curtain. She ain't going with.
Yeah, man, you know what she good?
I don't know, that's one.
What's that check? I know every bar, you know. Eh?
That's your place, man.
I got two.
Are you crying?
Oh.
Yeah.
What's the question, Mr. Awa? I'm in charge here, so I'm going.
Them said
Yeah,
we're
I'm
gonna feather flop together.
Yo, put that money for the place, man. It's a town. Listen. Yeah, you can't walk out.
No, you know, still I just want to shoot TV there, run bar and my credit card and cash card. I feel buy the money and I'm saying that I'm going to drink.
Cash back, you gamble? You don't gamble, man.
Come on, stop.
You're going too far, man.
Come on, you go too far, but take one woman, sir.
Where is it going now?
One woman,
Okay,
one
okay,
last
yeah.
woman.
So I can't even touch it.
Where touch
How
me,
much
sir?
money must spend? I some money now. Eh?
No, I can't even
One number.
I mean, money what?
No, I can't even friends with them.
I dare go tell you somebody, see? Make it stay.
You control yourself, still, man. You control yourself, man.
Control yourself. You think you're remote control?
Yeah, I'm going to go on. I get the kill there, man. Top pressure belongs to the fourth fight. We get that clear there, man.
Don't touch me in a big man. Look like you're making have things in there. Alright.
You know, not talk about everybody. What's the system away? Huh?
7 bills.
7 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
So it
I like that, man.
like go first. I'm going to
So style for now.
Me a beg on them. I don't want the hands out in here. Please, me a beg on them. So if you don't have to fight, bring it outside. Just give me the one to give me and go on outside.
Get alright, get alright, get alright, I'm going to go across this place after Rati. God see I know. Just
No, no, like that.
Grass is good.
I'm going to go
I don't care if you want that bar. Let's come at bar. Huh? I don't smile if you want. Huh?
Look here, I want to come down and pay me.
See me, man.
Me just see right now, abracadabra. No, you see me, you know.
Hurry up, one. Aye, sir. Are you happy, Phil?
Meet me name.
So what you mean you just have conversations in here?
I'm gonna go something there. If you be a video, come on, looks nice.
Me?
No?
Take a look at you, see how you're drunk and might take one home. I don't get to look. Take one home.
Come on, leave me.
One in your yard.
Leave me
Let's
down
see
the
you
road. By the river.
How me ever do want a life to endure them something with them across this drunken man, yeah?
Are you over there? Never hit the machine off that.
No. Let me make you go and body now.
Where you going
Pay
back?
me my money. Where
Which
you got
money?
ATM? You never must say that money before you come in here. Look at me, I have nothing here today, you know. I don't want them something that foolish they keep up, you know.
See, it's so that. You never know spend that money before I come in here to check.
Me to check.
Pay and collect. Alright, you don't mess. Just I reckon I'm coming.
So come to that.
Let me come to them. Regular customer. You are. Alright, we'll have for them to come back. Soon come. Yeah?
I
operating right. Take that and go. Hey, you must have to come back in here. Better say not come back in here. It's alright. Oh, process.
Oi! Where you go?
I touch the road and forward still now. You know, man, I deal with one fast crime and forward. But
What do you mean you do that fast time and come back?
I deal with one crime and I go up on the road to link my friend them also.
Where you go with that? Colby, where you go with that? Hmm? Every time you left the yard, a fool in the shop up on the road go do.
Remember
Me
say,
not like your style.
no, I'm not.
You not go nowhere.
Me not go nowhere.
Yeah,
So
you not go
where
now.
you go eat? Where you go eat food?
You mean by that?
Where you go eat? Bills have to pay, you know, and things have to do, you know. Remember say, I know just turn up and there around every day and make things happen, you know. Remember say, what they about you mash up, you know, and be things, you know. We didn't even have nothing more than to just go up on the road and forward back. Me I go hustle.
Go
And
get
then
one
at this
9
me
to
do
5.
have, at this, no, 9 to 5. 9 to 5 now making money when me I make.
Bobby, me not like this because me scared. Every day me pray to God. Me know say that me nails and me hair and all this they can do, you know. But me scared, Bobby. Me not like when you go on the road. Me not like it.
So you try to tell me, say you go make money, you go provide.
Oh, me not provide.
So boy, you
Yeah,
just,
yes, me nails.
alright. That's if you left
see
me go
them?
make money and forward.
No.
You know why you can't tell
Like,
me say
me just don't feel
like
like you
no
go on
man,
the
like
road
you
today,
want to
like-
try lock me down, me can't go on the road, then I want to make money and forward back in that place.
I'm not saying to say, you have a next girl out there? Eh?
Me have a next girl out there.
Yeah, because you can't talk about me and lock you down. Me supposed to lock you down, yeah, for me man. Me supposed to do that.
So-
me have rights
So
to do
you
that.
try to tell me say you feel lock me down,
Yes.
me not feel left.
No, not today.
Not today.
Not today. Like me
What kind
no.
of man me you talk to come on?
No, me ya talk. No, I know
So-
me want talk.
Yo, me dad them a wait for
Me
me.
no
you know.
business. They couldn't wait. They
Yeah,
couldn't
we have a
wait
deal
for
with
now
one. Watch
till
out,
next
man.
year.
I have a mission to go for now. Watch out,
No.
me you slow me down right now. You know, cause watch out. You know, farm could reach right now.
Bolby, hear me and warn you. You remember last time me warn you?
What happened last
When time
time?
me I tell her say, Bolby don't go. And when I go, police run her down. You remember?
But that me not gonna do no ADD. I don't like say then.
But
then
me tell her say,
watch out now,
me
me a
spirit
deal with
and
one
tell me
crime
say,
and forward, man. Yeah,
you're
hold on,
not
pull
left,
me.
you're not left to them, man. No, man. Wham. Bam.
No, man, I show you say dog them a wait for me. And watch out.
Make them wait. Tell them, call them. Tell them say later. Or tomorrow. Tell them tomorrow.
No, so you take me for you that door.
Oh, me take a for you then.
So you hold me up, sir.
Oh, me take a for you then.
You hold me up, sir. For.
Because me know why you go nowhere.
You know,
Me tell her say me not feel like you go up on the road today. And at that me say, and at that me mean what ya for? What that for? Eh?
you think you can buy it?
Ah, jeez.
You go off for me, girl. So, oi,
Oi, yeah,
calm down, no man.
Bulby, no,
Calm down, no man.
Bulby,
So
this is what
forward,
we
you
talk
so
still
far.
about Bulby. What make you be so?
Tell us I'm so forward,
Put
man.
up that no.
So I want pay an idea. Normal,
Put up
normal,
the same,
normal.
man.
Alright,
Put up the
normal. But you make it thing look suspicious and now, man. Let me just deal with that and forward now.
Me tell her say me not feel like you go up on the road today. You know, listen, you know, like something wrong with your Bulby. Listen, go on back in our house. Me prepare your favorite meal and me go say bubble bath for you. Me go give you a special treat today. Yeah?
When me forward back, man.
No, man, do it now.
No, man. This is urgent. Me I go deal with. We done planning for last month. So you know, say after
Forward.
a long time.
That's why you not feel bad
long
about
time.
today.
No, man.
Bobby, listen to me.
Chana man, and me run his squad and Chana me no want me dog then feel like say yo, me feel them, you know. Me not depend on that right now. You know.
Alright, go on.
But Chana,
It's
just
alright.
keep listening them so far away.
Make sure that my phone not ring out and not call me. That's how me can see you. Every time I want to find a road with people. Every time. Oh, this one. look so tired and wash out.
Alright. So today is not a good day.
You know, sir, me say me I don't wake up there, then come down your barco or whatever.
Me it hurt me. Me have something going on in my bar today. One old man. Me not saying old, one man with whole name 40s and one next younger you come there. And somebody will always come there, but anytime you
Who
jump,
them there?
I be a furnishing people. I soon tell you, okay, you know them good too. If you don't know them, you know one of them very well. It's like he come and him order, make him order. Someone want special. Give the special. Him better, you know when him drunk, he go on him furnish. If he want to make a beach, walk one, he be a furnish with that till the next one walk in. And they told them start have conversations now. The younger one I said to him say, walk one, we are there. So you know them know them one of them want to talk to them one another. And him then know the younger one order special and a cigarette. Me give him. When me look, me see him say something to the next one and him gone.
Say,
He said something to the next one and he step out. So I say, yeah, pay for him. He might ask me, so where you know him from? I say, what you mean, where you know him from? I hear him say, I conversate from him stepping here now. I hear him talking now, so what you mean, where you know him from? Here, him know, I say, look here now. You drunk, pay me money and go home with your wife. Give me money. He might tell me, say, he might forget the ATM. And see, I cut this. And then he puts them in and drink, and I find a little bit. And give me some to keep it for him soon come. And I go step out. You know what I do? I just dash it out the pan him.
I don't say I get. There's a big fool. So you see, from the first one come out I buy your money. I'll buy account and me a jump. And me a grab and me a say pay money before you come out there. Pure money.
Them one on there. Yo, me the most of them wanna come out.
But you know you should have said come here you go beach. Me I say come me want go beach there you take your time come round the counter. So no come round the counter no. When you come round the counter go hold on pan the man. I want
You try to say it.
I want.
Can you put dirty drunken man there in the party?
Are you?
It's same one.
Oh. Other crosses?
Him same one, your crosses. Can you like the crosses then?
Definitely it's a train in the morning. Yeah. You think me just go chat to somebody and then have money? Eh?
They have to let your gunman there.
But you know you idiot.
What kind of life you live?
Don't worry about that. In we all me go and know this and I feel like I'm innocent. You feel like I'm not doing anything on the road. Understand? So you said about that. Awa.
Me gonna need you forget the money to give me because I don't want to see him. I don't want to bust up him head.
No. Oh my God, now you have strength in front of me. But you never have strength when time in the down at your bar.
Alright.
You come in front of me and
I
ask me for
work.
money.
Me say you forgive me money now.
Listen, I not get no money for you. Me not working with you. You gonna give me some more time?
Which far? Me say. Me I encourage you to tell him say no, make sure say
Take
come with my
time
money.
out, bro.
I bust me go bust up
Take
him
time
head.
out, bro.
You hear me I tell you though.
Wanna?
You see people like Uno. You see people like Uno. It's
Go
alright.
on, that's a bartender. No, know your business because they love chat people. Because if you come in here, they know where you go say such and such person. Yes,
Go on.
I'm just happy upon sir.
No man, don't worry about that. You know, say him see me a phone link and me want a mission for me to go on the idea.
Mission.
Yeah man.
Me and you.
Yeah.
What kind of mission?
But man, don't worry about that. I can't give it the details them too much. But watch the man just now see your money live. You see me? Yeah man. So you see
How much money sir?
Yeah, I'm take it to 200,000, you know.
When?
No, today, tonight. After mission WhatsApp.
Man, I played me that. Come and say no bag of fake tail.
I'm tear you. Me I can run joke with you in time, yeah.
Magazine.
What go on?
How much money you have?
No worry about that, my pick me. And me I give work and you give me work. You see me?
They are fresh in the dog. Share thing.
Right now, watch out, man. I be a foolish I go on now. I'm not depending on you. So anything you depend, me depend on me pick me. So what you say?
Well, you want to move, so what kind of mission that you want to know where you try to involve me in right now, brother?
That's all.
Money, me mention my friend, but friends say money, me ready to go on what kind of mission?
That's all question. You never make you go for a mission and you have to worry yourself certain way. You make always make you strap up certain way. Yeah, Musa.
So you strap up on?
I'm not have to strap more.
Bad man, I tell you something, I know they come and me them thing there, brother.
I'm telling you what. Yo, yesterday look at Sherms this style where you give man bad boy. You know, work them way there, you know.
Millions me there free.
That we are free, so we are say, yeah, we are wait for some, we have millions in your mind right now, my friend, and we can go make it. You talk about millions. You know.
That you want to know what you want because that you want to know.
Just more you stay and look out. That's all, nothing more, nothing too hard. Matter of fact, they can't turn like car because you move like say you're afraid, you are.
But I'm never afraid, my friend.
So what you say, that me say.
Because I'm millions, me there pray. Jail time without millions, put on to pay a lawyer fee, and make sense, brother. And right now, I'm fast. Right now, I 2 grand my while I got it 2 grand. Burn up, my friend. And I'm going to buy 2 tickets, my friend. So if you can't say it, so can you give me a 5 grand? But you know, I should go to them, man. I'll you not tell me what is what I know. I just want to put me a little faith in you. But you know, still, my fast, I'm going to be a little thing. So if you can bust it on a 5 grand.
Yo, check me look on man. Check me look on.
Hold on. 30 minutes time?
Yeah, check
30 minutes.
Yeah, check me time.
And then next about what time you go for that movie?
6 o'clock. Me call you, have a bird.
Yeah, man, the bird active.
Alright.
But I come for that thing before that accident.
Yeah, man, check me time of time up.
Alright. Tell us them man, I ever come in like a cross yourself still, but my dog. So I've gone. I'm going to tell you the reason, my boss, you know? You're good. How am I general? Hello. Mama. Can't get one for 25 and 31 there. Until. Yeah, man. See what can go on right now. Working my half.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your
Get up, man, get up!
Yeah, again, wait, so, no. You up here, everything. How much are you?
So you never see saw me?
No, I never saw you, brother.
You assume yourself?
No, I can't say myself. I know them myself. Huh?
Jesus Christ, you man, Father, God, brother, man. Why you carry my name so? Why you carry my family so, bro? Eh? When last you look in the mirror and look on yourself?
I brush my teeth this morning, now.
You don't look on yourself?
Yeah, brush my teeth.
You see public?
Yeah, me.
You see my brother, when me and him use a reason and live good?
Yeah, bro.
You know mean you're short at you, you know.
But that's the idea when I say loud and me is like, I understand.
But the part where you go,
Which
life
part?
where you live, me can't manage that, brother, man. You just turn on big old junkie, so my father. Every time I step in the street, public, my brother, people are tell me say you turn junkie, I drop a roadside. Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Wake up, the man.
Talk to me, man, if you're talking, man. So, I don't understand. Where you come here from?
Get up.
Oh,
Turn up, right. Turn up. Turn up. You're not going to sleep and not turn up. Look there. Look there. Eh? Tell me the truth now.
what that? You have a pa? Eh? You Yeah, my pa?
You know, say me and your pa, me just cut you one puff chest, but me and your pa, you know. Public, you can't live better, you can't change your life, my brother. Eh?
You know, hey, every man have his sorrows.
How you do catch yourself?
Every man have his sorrows.
When last you bed?
You know worry about that? You worry about that? What you worry about that for? And what you want? What you really want? What do I tell you, say? Eh? What do I tell you, say?
You don't know what you might tell me, sir.
No.
Everything what you might tell me, say. See it there. Prove.
See, me know I'm gonna ask you. Me a drink and you drunk.
Yo, let me tell you something. You're a big man, you know.
Yeah,
and me a big man. But remember, say we are blood brother. I don't make you make up. So me I will tell you something now as a big man. You see if you not change a lot, how you look for?
Me can't, me tell me can't find me can't. I also definitely go buy for dry money for give one
See your card. See your card. You ate it, put it on your head. See your card. Hold it.
Last me can't for sure, man.
More you listen what me I say. Listen what me I say, brother.
Yeah, say.
Me I tell you say, you're a big man, and me a big man, and we are brother, and a Billy Bill up, a blood brother. You see if you can't change your life, me not good on with you, you know. You're up on your own.
Alright, just unblood me, just delete the blood.
I that you want?
If I that
I that you want? Alright then.
I'm gonna go through.
Alright then.
Let me tell you, because me can't. Let me tell you, man.
Feel you take a drink rum?
No,
eh?
I'm gonna pay one bill on one bar down a place. I say, you know, the black girl, she always want me, she need me. I'm gonna tell her something I need her, but
Jesus Christ, Father God, you.
Eh?
Oh, you see your brush your teeth this morning, you. Yo, me done with you. Me done with your father. You're my brother again, Father. Me done with you.
that's alright, drink a Bible room. So I'm really busy with you.
Well, like little look. Oh, you go now?
Yeah, man.
Say go on now.
I know,
Ready for this up?
life, don't even worry when you deal with that, because that deal with that already, it take too long for forward for the base, dog.
What do you mean me take too? That man a joker, bad man.
Who a joker? You just take too long forward for the joke, I didn't get paid neither though, you know?
Yeah, man,
You
sir.
go and wait till my piece of food ready and thing.
Yeah, some of the team that take a piece of dog still, you know.
Which dog?
Same piece of food dog.
Which
I kind of chop in a half then.
Wow.
Same piece of dog you still gonna give me man.
Yeah, mad, and you know there when me I go deal with mission.
So bad man, you go left me.
You say me go left you, you know no timing.
You see you go call me.
No, me not no credit.
So my fault, me can't no credit.
Alright, tell me no call you, can't call me.
Brother, me could have go do other things
So
and
that's
I'm gonna put myself aside.
if me no call you, you couldn't call me.
Me
Me
no
alone
credit
a
neither.
phone.
Me no credit neither.
Alright.
I say me broke, you know. I say me
Don't
and money.
argument, man. Don't argument. So you say I go on differently.
Then me there say normal out, man. But I may say still. You may come check that I broke out my advice right now, but that's all. That's all I remember. No, you're cool, you know. You're quick. You see you. See it still about that. You may okay, I can't give still.
How you find it?
No worry about that. Fine. You know where me find it, I get it from.
So me know you're a thief. Me have to ask you if I find it first.
You show me your friends and me tell you who you are. Say if me a thief, you're a thief too.
My thief, my friend.
Criminal. Let me say still. But say you know about anything more than me. So man just start, you know, get involved in something. You're more cyber.
So you try to tell you, so why wouldn't I tell you come over now or what?
I mean, it's a tap and go. See that?
You realize, you tap and go.
Leave one gate still, you know.
Me just smell you. I'm smelling now. No, your hand in the head, man. No, man, your hand in the way.
Alright. Move on from worry.
Let me tell you. Hold me shut.
Give me, put what I'm
Smell sweet, you know, like some kind of rich vape or something. Then sitting, you know, if they're rich, I pour it, smell it. If you're scent.
Oh, that's one side. Move from something like carry man.
I know one of them, one of that oxy.
So you say pretty friendly though? But still that could have 150 bars still and I appreciate it.
So what? What's the ball out of?
But no man, Bruk not now go on the bad man.
Then you go down in the turn, you see what going for that.
Regular day still, alright?
Listen, when you want to go down there, you check it. Because I tell them money, I don't know money upon you, but we have to check on the sooner like a rich people card, you know.
I don't mean I wonder what to do.
When you make up your mind, you can feel charge, you know.
Watch her now. I like how that sound. So that means anything upon your mind, right? But we share it. How me feel if you share, right? That's up.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
So you say, ready?
Yeah, know what I mean.
You have a charge now.
I do.
So they attempt to not even the machine, they don't know where they end. Look at Ice Age come from Tugbo. Come on, youth.
Yeah, man, that's why I like beg someone to feel to me in a youth.
Yeah, how are you, sir? Whoever. Oh, yeah, dear. Nothing so long here, bar already, all the vibes are now.
It's like you're gonna be across as a man. Be a problem.
What problem now?
You don't know, say, me there at the bar today. And this man come there. Him always come there and buy, you know, and drink and go out with him foolish and talk about, say, he want to carry me to the beach and him look away there. And I say to the man, say, go home to your wife, some big man, go home to your wife now. Him there, they go with him foolish, say, you don't know what now. The man I go tell me, say, after I done order the special now, I go tell me, say, he never get forgot it. You tell me now. Drink out drink, almost drink out the special now, left one little bit in at the bottom of the cup. And now give me a sit down feel until you come back.
Alright.
Yeah.
I take you and drink it. You don't have to do that shit.
You gonna drink over the madam watermelon and water cover? I dash it on him.
Well, me just a say no. You should dash you and tell me you have to buy your next one because he jump out the hand and he gonna cook up. You don't know style now, but anyway, I just see me I step out of the shop, right? I lock up girl. Because right now, look now go on. That's a thing now go on girl. You know me, come like say one sack of salt just dash it on me. You don't know. Me don't know, nothing at all.
Tell you see me come.
Let me want to lock up right now.
No bother with
I go
you.
try find a way. Me try find a way out. You see me the right answer right now, I look confused. So, I try find a way. I'll see me brother him.
Yeah. I'm glad you mentioned him. You don't know, say, walking at the bar, him and the man, the same man I talk about, start exchange talk. You told them I'm talking to them junkie, go on and go with themselves. And him, take me special. And me sick there for laugh.
Hold on there. Come here, boy, go spend much money spend.
Where's that spend money? Spend, you know this don't me, I say. Me I feel laugh. The man coming at the bar like he have money. So me a special than a cigarette. By the time the man take up the cigarette, I gone and gone through the door.
Because you are going to him come up like since there, you know. And I come borrow me $2,000. $2,000 brother borrow from me. And I want me $2,000 because as I can see, nothing I'm going to say, see the $2,000 there? I couldn't take it and buy 120 for a craving here. See that them boy they come out so they want them buy 2 special and 1 craving here for bun. And then I have no craving here to sell them. Eh? See my brother is a weapon they farm against me. Come and borrow me $2,000 and take it and gone with it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It might need fairy tale story where I make up in our head, but I want my money, you know. I want my money. So what you say?
I can't understand. Take your money and come take my things and just walk out of my bar.
You say you're papi sure. Let me tell you something. You want you to take yourself and go on my business because you know if I come to trust you.
Hey! My money. Where take my things from today? You never pay me for that?
Yeah, money, I want. Wait. Come on, look up. How much I forget?
7 bills.
7 bills. What special one can you go over?
I trust your choice. You never pay one time. $700.
You direct deposit to next store. Swear.
$2,000.
Don't worry about
If you the popcorn money if you wear listen to what me I say, not give me no talk. If you have popcorn money I give sheep where you give me $2,000.
You see you know. You get the world to go drop your foot. And because you're not no patience.
Yes, let me not no patience for me to do my lick in your face. Remember me not no patience.
Excuse me, can I talk to my sister? Beg her to pray.
Me want to some money.
Hello, you get the money now, not
It's
you.
alright because me go set for you the next time. No worry yourself. Tomorrow.
Yeah, you soon
Me
get
not come back
$2
here,
bills.
boy.
I mean, no, see, I come shut up my mouth. Me know, see, I come and come with trust, but no trust you on here, so me can't trust on me shop because I guess I'm now. Me trust you all that boy, I trust on you. Me got to
You got yourself here,
shut
boy.
up your mouth, shut up your mouth. Me a chat to you.
Sorry, my sister.
Yeah, go on. Listen now.
Everything, Jiggy. Everything you got right now. I clean off. You see me, because someone call for a bug up. Someone call for a bug up. Clean off, brand new suit of clothes. So close them, man. Brand new suit of clothes, man. Touch your little more, man.
You feel lucky for me nosy style gone left me when I come and search the bag there already and you know too.
But nothing in that, that's wrong. I come years.
So
Like
what you say you go now? Where you say you go?
Put that smile on your face, man. You ever ring up your face like a screwdriver. That's it. No, man, that's too much. Take off a little bit. Alright, right. Such a man, we touch you at the come away, follow me.
What do you mean by you touch road? Like when you touch road go do? When you touch road go do?
Shake.
Yeah, like I go spend a one bar.
Any part.
No, so I come like a lick your head. I me tell you, so you see, me and you no come from the same woman. And a papa sperms get up. And guess what? What you mean by you go shell on something? So what make you not shell on yourself? Eh?
You don't go all and fires. When my hand and mirror more look for a woman, you have to see that. Come like you're mad in your head. You have to drink and junk around you. I will make you go out with a whole advice. Tomorrow we can drink out the bar if you feel like. Such a man. But you want some gears, man. You're brave tonight.
Alright, listen, I'm chill, man.
We're favorite. Remember, you know, you love the shrimp Alfredo, you know. You little chicken breast.
Well, I know you're going too far now. Food party, you're going to think you're rum party.
No, man, but I have to care about eat some food. So, can't get a drink and hungry belly, my sister.
No, I'm not hungry. Don't do that. Me shop my yam dog, but me not hungry. Hungry belly boy, me not hungry like you. Because I know me say I shop to go trust people business. And listen to me, you see tonight.
What is my trust?
No, you go trust out human business.
You don't go for trust.
I'm tell something, you see when me.
Be nice. Me walk out that place.
You see when me. Listen to me now, man. You see when me reach at this spot. No one you stay over there. You understand? I'm stay over here so I'm catching man when me I catch you catch. Who you want to catch over there? No go wrong now. No go wrong. You find yourself back over to my side. I'm going to change my mind. Wait, I better. I'm just want fever and Hennessy. A drink.
Something beside.
Oh, what?
Something
No,
beside.
me love that. That 2 weeks.
Oh. Say, fever. Now what?
Want fever and Hennessy.
How much
I want
Hennessy?
unstoppable too.
Well, let's have still, correct now.
Push it.
I'm breaking.
Push in the door.
Alright.
Come on now, you can chat so. Come
One
on
day
now.
at a time. Cause if me wish today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. I live my life like I just win the lotto. My dream, buy big Benz and dress clean, shell every bar like a crime scene. Do you know what I mean? Wish today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. Me I live my life like I just win the lotto. So me I go come millions. Got me gal pan the billion. She a act so silly. So me Africa Shelly belly big pop. I love the way she whine. Love the way she take outside. Get to use, get to tree. Public report. Because if it race today, I'm broke tomorrow. I just saw it go. Me, I live my life like me just win the lotto. Ain't no Ponzi scheme.
Well, I'm not saying if I said nice last night, boy, I live my life every day. So, Jaga, you. Listen, I stuck up your wife, don't tell you something. Alright, wonder why I'm boiling the same idea, you know. A boy, right now, I'm going to touch you. Oh, my car. What's up? Yo. Where's it going? No, dog. Mash up money already, brother. Bad man, you mean? That must me tell me I left a party now, you say I want one more back line in Sina Daddy. I blame myself. Yeah, man. But what you know? I must say I buy a cash pad from yesterday and so I go. I check your card. Because I believe I win sitting on a fight. I check your ticket, man. Yeah, man, I can't roll, yes. But yeah, man, so get a piece of weed first, because I'm not on weed. Alright, my dog. That's cool. It's a piece of dog in my mouth, because I'm broke. God, no, you.
Well, right about now, I'm not going to smile, but it's so much name like this, how much people want me, I'm can't see them.
I know my fault. Are you want to just out the bar? When I come from the shop, you trust in my shop?
Me run a bar, me not run a shop.
Girl, so last night it was nice. Confused.
So what's the last one last night?
Girl, my son, my brother, can't go braff me.
So we get money from?
Oh, you see all the man we have point action over so I shell Michelle long you are them there. Yeah. Then I get money from that no concern you. Just know that I braff last night. So when the boy show me I want what you call the bag then? You don't back then. You don't want to see my bag girl. That's what I go so. When I go so I take a little peek down like a baby. Brick from brick. And he just step on top too.
Me have to go check him. Me have to go check him.
Him better have to check him. He not pay last night.
He not done pay me. And me still need to go check him and me and him business. That when him there, drink up my bar and I chase out bar, you know there.
I'm too busy way, you know.
I like you tell. You see it? A female them here.
Hey, right.
And a female them here.
So come my brother name front of your book.
I long to your brother walk a chop some of it.
My brother have money, my brother can pay for you. My brother can pay for everything for your shelf right now. I'll pay for your service too. Everything in your shop, take all the fridge and everything you can pay for us right now. You are running your money, you have to 2 days. At 2 days, you want to come. Show me tell us my brother have money now. You want to come with your car today. Pad up in bill. You see how no people stay. One of the people have money to pad up them bill.
Me can't pad something right too much months ago. Me can't pad something right too much months ago. Look for the date there.
When you come last night, you say you going to
me I talk about when combo yesterday, and that me I talk about when combo yesterday. I talk about the book.
When you see I go on now, what happened?
I'm there, I'm miserable.
So where you go last night?
I'm not going to come here. I'm here to be in a lie down sleep.
Oh, your life sad, man. Your life sad. You want me to see money last week, so me I said.
So give me some other one, dinner?
No. You say you go check him. What the reason why you go check your brother? Tell me now.
Me just share the book. You blind? You want glasses? When am I get brother get glasses too?
That's a reason, but then I want a reason back it why you check him.
No, I just want to check him forget what me forget and then me we talk about anything else.
I beg you want to beg him, but just no say anything why I beg him. Put on my cut out there.
What you say? Well, you're not ordinary. You get too much money last time. You can't get for that thing
no,
now.
Girl, I not get the money. I only drink him out and right then I move too tight with me. I not like this style right now. So anything I get, I give me a cut.
See about crime out of the bar when you come. When then?
England and sports.
So you go wait till money done before you come here soon?
What?
You wait till the money done before you bring one or something?
No, man, better that the money they can't done, girl. Come like in a year, me I say. That the money they can't done.
Win lotto?
You're deaf. What? No ask me. Girl, stop from question my brother life. You know, we know lotto. You just have money.
Alright, anyway.
Yeah, so all who used to work and trust my brother Bruk, my brother Bruk again. My brother have money.
Love.
And all who used to sit down for the name and say my trust, you stop trust now. Anyways, a good do.
Yeah, man.
I'm business right now.
Later. Yeah, later.
Why? I don't tell me come here to shop like who has what to do. I don't check brother's true.
And that mean I like pretty and I love walk and watch people business. That's all you do. When I hear pop down shop, I'm never come by your pop down shop come tell you say one good. You know some kind of friend them me keep. But someone could kill his friend me really keep them. We gotta check one who owe me again.
Mad last night, you know.
Yo, got it on your mind, though.
Boy, I said it, you
Boy, I'm messing with pepper chicken and boy, I be a put me up last night.
I say when I time them, you would say, most can come get a food from you or something that no.
Me food? I'm not cook now.
You know, don't me do want you give me a piece of food and buy you a piece of food or something. A piece of food if you reach me from last night, no reach me tomorrow, me say they reach me, you know?
Remember another day? I'm on your kind of shape down. I remember saying, I tell you I'm ready. I want to cut. I tell me, say 2 more back, you know. I last money that buy 2 more back.
What you need to tell me?
See, the last 5 days, I just take a buy chicken and how they beat me. I mean, I don't cook it, I know what's better. Get up this, let me get up, Michelle. Get up this man now. See what I got on my flat foot.
Yeah.
Rise the car. Good over, go do your time, say fed up. I saw me see, say, sucking in a machine, and
Yeah.
big house in the come up and ice cream. So I run out.
Yeah, so
You
make your machine take your care, dog.
I can't make it. I'm a flat foot right now, see me there outside. I'm beg somebody so much for me to outside. God knows, I see that bartender feel good. I want to feel right now. Shit,
Nah,
you
lie do it, I see your sister they go on one night. Last night.
Who?
I'm like how she go on
Me who?
to your sister.
Man,
Yo,
man,
what time
come
good
like
to
you're high.
Hi, Glow.
Man, go find something,
Hi,
man.
Glow.
Now look for my sister, man. You don't come call up my family, man. Man,
What are the food? I'm going to spoil up your family. I'm going to spoil up your family. You idiot.
don't make me go from pitbull and dog. Don't make me go from my
You
dog.
shot that man. How you feel like?
Oh, don't make me go from pitbull and
You shot that.
Because I'm afraid I got God, Mr. Man. God Almighty, man. I hear it.
Yeah, watch you sometime, you know, you. Watch you sometime, you know. Watch you sometime, you know, but still and still, like how your sister go on night, man, and from the night, let me see. She
Daddy,
had
top
feels
10 about my
like
sister.
brain,
Top
you.
10 about my sister. Me go talk about my sister. My sister take her. She happily married. You understand? You know the fan feel lifestyle.
My
You know the fan
lifestyle.
feel lifestyle.
Too mad, down.
Right now, man, you're a criminal.
That's criminal.
I'm not no criminal niece and criminal nephew. You know the
That's
fan
what
that?
I'm saying.
Take it off your mind. Take it out of your mind. Delete it. God forbid it.
So you say I do look come. Where
God
you do
forbid
look
it.
come? Where you do look come?
I have a cash pack ticket and buy some cash pack yesterday. I feel like them. Because me when I number them, I'm going to play. Post to win. Cash a ticket there so I can go a little more.
What do you have with cash?
See there, yeah. Right there.
What do you have with
What?
cash? That's circle there.
We circle you for the cash right. Remember saying that it's still on beside full
So hey, we chat. Look come on.
You see it? Because me alone can run cheese like that and the phone money drop on a phone self, you know, brother. That may tell you that because more. So I set 800,000 there. You say, when I do your work, so I'm going to get you alive, but.
Yeah, man, them people are playing me thing, you know, man. Yo, let's say I go on now. No, say I feel me food, me call for link your word because right now, I don't like how man a play with man thing, you know, my friend. I don't play when it come on to me money, you know, man. What go on? What? You don't make me have to pray you and your people, you know. Cause right now, if I start pray, I got a problem, you know, I'm going to want my food in the youth. And don't make me have to circle for my money myself, you know. Now I'm go pretty. Now I'm go pretty. And watch out, man. Remember, say, me know where you live, you know, my friend. Me know where everybody live here, you know. So don't go on like you want to grow on me and my food in the youth. That's what me get my money before it be done. Got me, I tell it to you.
No, where you come from? Oh, so I said you want to live your life first. I said you want to live the rest of your life.
Oh.
No, you move like say you don't have one woman in your yard.
No, but
Eh?
remember, say,
No,
I say
you
you know
come
me,
in. No,
so
no,
me have
no,
to
no,
make
no,
sure
no.
say, yo.
You come in last night, right?
Mm.
And way back. You're not coming in till what? This morning. You come in, you wash up, you go back to the road again. And you just a come back in, Bulby. Bulby, me not like how you move, Bulby.
No.
You move, me not like how you move. You move like how you want to live.
No, but
Yeah,
remember,
you-
say,
you're
before
not
you
gi-
know me are the type of person, me know why you try like you want to change me or something.
No, me not change up, but
You
you're
mean it
man,
sound
you live
like
with woman,
that you
now you're
want
supposed to change up certain things.
No, man. No, man.
What mean no, man?
Remember, say, no. Me a road digger, you know, my friend. Me have to dig off the road, you know, before me reach in your block, you know. I tryna for your type of lifestyle, you know, my lifestyle. You know. You feel like me don't know say you're a Rasta deal. You feel like me don't know say you're a little dirty Rasta deal. I true me don't want people say me go kill man for woman and me go bust off me head long time, you know.
Man, Rasta, which dirty drunken Rasta? Me Rasta not dealing.
Yeah,
I'ma
you're
tell you,
Rasta
I'ma-
not dealing.
I'm gonna tell you something.
You're Rasta
I'm
not
gonna tell you.
dealing.
Yeah, so before me meet you, Bulby, me meet Rasta bar one day. Drunk as hell, I look me. And he said, give me a number. I say, you give me your number, right? When Rasta give me your number now, few days after that now, you saw me there bar and give me one piece of food there, so come the time say you have to give me a piece of food before me can collect the number. Because back in the days, me is the type of girl where me just chop man and go through, me don't care about nothing, me just chop them and go about my business. So Rasta give me a piece of food now, I collect his number. And so I collect Rasta number now. I don't call him till what, 2 weeks after that, I call Rasta and tell him I'm hungry. And he just send me a piece of food. He said he send me a piece of food. He said, want me to go to hotel. Right?
Yeah, you go hotel.
No, man, I don't go no hotel. Listen, now. What I do is, they say, you have to go buy me clothes to the hotel. You know. Rasta say, alright, no problem. He send the money to me. So I must say, when I buy clothes, I'm making, you know. So when I buy clothes, I'm making, you know, then I say to him, say, make me book a hotel. So just give me money. So when he give me money now, I don't book no hotel. From that Rasta, I send me back again. So enough people feel like some Rasta dey in a business because then some I go collect little food. So me Rasta never no dealings. Me just chop Rasta.
What you take me for fool?
After that you want, after that you feel so you mean.
So man just right now I'm there, right now I'm hitting 200 pound body, you know.
So no. So what you trying to say? True, your things about me, you know what I'm saying?
No, yeah.
And that.
I have better fish, right now I have bigger fish fry and I put that for my head.
So,
right now, as we tell you before, the street and my little happiness.
Listen, me can't go work with them at behavior, you know. And that's one thing here today. Them behavior, me can't work. Me can't go out with them man and me daily see man.
You get money though, you get what you get though.
No, I'm gonna tell you something.
No, man.
And that we do no man, that we do no. When we no feel like say, when we give woman money is not all that. We want comfort, we want love, and we want company. What you talk about? You think all the money make
Watch a
happy?
TV and I'll go get dinner.
Watch your.
Like
You
a
talk
comfort,
there
yo.
now. How can you take this in the time?
Like a
You
comfort, yo.
talk there, yeah, walk out.
But tell us right now, me brain the day I say right now.
Oh, so every day your brain now go there. Every day your brain now go there. Alright, buddy. There too. There, watch it. It's alright.
girl, me girl I'm back for something. I want to know what one.
I'm just come to talk to you. Because you see, one time I trying to change your life and stop do certain things. People take your past and tell you and make you feel less of yourself. Which you know yourself know say enough to make nobody make you feel less of yourself when you change yourself. You understand what I'm saying? But long and short of the story is how would I feel if you live by your with your man, right? And every time your man come in going, as he come in, he just being left out, he just give you money. No, look to love him, no at all, then no make you feel comfortable. Then, when you attack him about it, he accuse you of having a man. Tell me how that look.
Normally, them normally play the role where they accuse you of, you know. So, that's some man stay, girl. Them not ever talk about with them, you know, but them a tell you. And them a do it, but them a tell you, so them a do it. So, them stay.
Like, me don't know. Like, me used to bad, you know. Like, me used to chop man, you know. Back then, you know. But ever since we meet Barbie, like, me change because the type of person when I be and me know what he can do. You understand? So, me change with them the lifestyle there, but no man, this not safe. You know, look more from my side.
Girl, right I know, you know, it's all of me don't have a man or me single. Sometimes I wonder if it make me start to, you know, because watch ya, me have the little bar, yeah, sometimes nothing like one. And you know me and my daughter to sing at college. And me alone, I feel I try, but right about now, no, still me have my eye on a little man. He want to go check, he may go check before he come. They lock up the place while I go, you know.
Which man, man?
That's not your business. Mind your own business.
But before you touch this, you know, so I feel like more skip town, can I guess so? I feel like more go up in a little bar for myself somewhere else. Like how you want a bar.
Girl, bar business now going on. You may just a complaint, so nothing now one girl. But you try different business, man. What about the bar? Right now,
sometimes I'm the type of person where you be in and the type of location where you choose.
Probably.
You know? Anything else you say, but where you say about the man, you know?
So you're so interested to know who me go check. So me go check one little man come here say things are going for him. Can you see the book here? It full up with customer who me see there. It full, me not tell a lie. See there? Full up. And him name in a book too, but me here say I don't know where what going for him. If I chop him and I lot of him win, but me here say him have the money. So him want go check it now.
Well, my dear. So wait, I treat man that money I want to go check him and hold the car.
Hello, you may just say the man in the book. So what I want to get gold or whatever
so
my business
man
that.
Come and control, so I can end with him. But when the man get money, you want to come go to him man. I say, oh no, I say, man like man deal with.
So me tell us me I go there with cut and come out of my bar. Go on where you go cause you cross it. She want me tell you how to
And that's why you're so sad. Because, let me tell us. You see, you not get no customer. You know, see everything still standing in your shop. Because you see this amount of when you have just shop too much. That's why you can't get nothing in a line.
No, another. I told you to take up salt for like a you and the next one around the road, no salt. Go on, man, check the people.
You on your shop and your location salt.
No matter worry about me. I don't know worry about me. Me I go check the command. Me you see, all the men who are customer go on. She me tell the man him to go look the man now. Cause you love man, you go like you love man more than nobody else. You go like you love man more than me, but I like you.
Look at me. You see my face. You see my shape. Any man who want me love, I can get.
Watch it, girl.
Tell me, I tell you.
Watch it, girl.
And true, me always I put them aside.
And look at gun boy where you there with the image just a mad over and complain about you want to skip town film. So you look a jumping one, you never want him again.
That's how they did on the past, so me I deal with that demand.
And show him again.
Me and him never there.
I want you there.
Me just did a chopping food.
Oh, alright. One now, my friend. Take you. One next time.
You can't chopping food. You come here and contact me with junkie man. I wish I didn't could I get him. I leave him have money. And true, you don't know say you have money. That's why you're not running blood. You see you can gold nigga. That's why you see such a you know go nowhere.
That's why not what you do now go nowhere because you're bad mind. Go and walk and take everybody man. You know take this one yeah.
You know what I feel man. You know what I feel man.
You come back here.
You get up at 9 time. You know what I know.
Me no man, I'm just yeah, that's why we go take him come on here. Go on, no me later. I don't know your bad mind, so take care, yeah. come check your later. Stop up the Hello. Remember your name now, Bruk. Come
Which
on.
book?
Where you mean, which book?
You know, come for 500.
You owe me 700, I remember.
700.
Hey,
Too much
700.
How much I just want to pay for you?
And normally you don't come and you just say to me say, yeah, take something, you know, take
No,
it.
but I don't trust.
You just grab it and walk out.
You
So guess
misunderstand
what?
the situation, you know. The situation is that me come back, look, have money to pay you, actually man get me ignorant, me just walk out.
Yeah, but don't worry about that. Remember, all the while you come, I'm trust the same way. So remember them little dividends.
I don't know long time. We go
Come
and
here,
me all the time of trust. Most time I go and trust your bar, sir.
Look here, wait me.
You want time I trust your bar?
I like that because your name around there in the book. Much time. But anyway, forget about that. I'm not come out. But just come to make you know, say, remember, say, all the time when you trust, I might buy your company when you never have no money. So what?
I mean, nothing.
Let me ask you what?
No. If you tell me I'll go and buy free.
Oh, we have the smoke?
You know,
Man, smoke, come on.
You mean like man of smoke?
No, man, smoke.
But me smoke.
Yes, maybe don't press it down.
So, how are you going? You're sick, you have to check your temperature. You have fever.
Why?
I want my fingernail put
You
on
know,
all
we
these
see
things.
you like me, so we are top ball.
No. Say you like me?
Yeah, long time.
Yeah, so say another man.
No. You ever see woman then?
Watch them way then.
Well, I'm not no man. Long time.
Say no one time, man.
Yeah. Yeah, now you more I'm just like, you know.
I like mature man thing.
Yeah.
Love it.
So we can work on that?
Yeah, mean. But you just keep it on your nose. People know my business.
No, I might move a bit.
Right.
So.
Right. So you can know.
I don't know what me about. I'm used to make me walk and look at me see you.
Oh, America with you.
Yes, so we are gonna.
You know, I said, I want food, I go buy.
So, you don't understand. So when you come on the bar, come spend some money.
When I'm going to check you.
You can come later.
Alright, I'm going to check you.
Yeah, man, of course.
I'm sorry, no pull up. Where drink?
Drink anything.
Alright.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Alright.
And remember me, I'll wait for you.
Know where yourself, you're going to see me.
Alright.
Yeah, my spot one for me.
Alright, sweetie. Later.
Alright, oh yeah. Listen, I'm going to tell you, man. Yo, and if you tell us a printing about man.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
One day at a time. Cause if me rich today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. I live my life like I just win the lotto. My dream, buy big Benz and dress clean, shell every bar like a crime scene. Do you know what I mean? Know what I mean? Cause rich today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. Me I live my life like I just win the lotto. So me I go come millions. Got me gal pan the billion. She a act so silly. So me Africa Shelly belly big pop and love the way she whine. Love the way she take outside. Get to use, get to tree. Public report. Because if me race today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. Me I live my life like me just win the lotto. Hey, ain't no Ponzi scheme. This is just a dream. Yeah. Cause if me race today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. One life to live, one mouth to feed, yeah. Pasta, burger, chicken, pizza, curry goat. Still none yam no pork. Goodbye mackerel, see you until me broke again.
uncle. Like the out of space, out of mind. What go on?
Alright, I'm just, I'm stressed out, man. No whatever things are going, man.
What, man? Uncle, I know your man ever drink for your rum, you know. And you know rum is life, you know. Wake up there. You know no rum.
Well, no, but the money done and, like right now, I'm stressed out.
Uncle, free up yourself, man. Free up yourself, man. Free up yourself. Remember I said before I'll go on a mission, you know. You have to beat all around shop around, man. What you mean?
You're a good boy, man. You're a good boy, man.
When you tell me about the rum, me I tell you say, everything me I do, me have to beat rum.
Rum
Come
is
here, give
life.
me no beat rum, me not have no energy. So how you feel dash for rum, uncle? What go on?
Yo, I say which day me last my card star. I'm go a bank now and I tell me I can rubbish and sit now.
What kind of card? A
My
business card?
bank card, man. And then me go there and I forget a replacement and him tell me say no say no money in the bank. So then give me one thing and show me one picture cause when the bank card get take away, one picture just flash and take the person face.
So somebody that spend money for your card?
Yo, boy, me don't know.
How them uncle? How?
6 months, yeah.
Me know this of somebody, man. You don't know him.
No.
Uncle look on the picture good, man. You don't know him.
You look familiar, but
This is youth your ICC name. And this is youth your America man par. A fame friend.
America, I say,
Yes, the
You know
brown
America?
girl in America.
Jesus Christ. A good things let me see, boy. Where you come from? Rumbar you go?
From bar me I come from.
Say you got a bar now?
Me I go to one other bar because they want them to say them a lock down your shop right now because they say it come like rain I go forward. But me I tell them say rain or shine me out I rum bar. So one other one me I go now.
Alright, do what you do. We need to run for talking.
So now that me I tell you I have to drink one up. Where you go now?
Me only come America and find out what I go on. Because a long time I check and remember where she live.
I go to keep it on her field and score a goal.
If it work, but you know.
You have to get a rum first. Man. Come on, me I go buy a rum bar first. You have to drink a rum first. Are you
Go on,
me, you know?
no, go on, I get the money.
No man, you can't trick me. Come on.
Me I get the money, man. I get the money.
No,
on,
me
man.
have money in my pocket.
No worry about that, man. I want to more money. Come on, know what I go on. You ask me a style. Go on, man. Yeah, I'm a nephew, man. Pick up his car.
Worry yourself, uncle.
Yeah. Hello. A long time to see me. And here I know we live long time, but I never really want to come here. Because I understand say if you invite me here, you make me come there, right?
Yes, so
Yeah.
what you do?
Because I have a problem.
Go on back.
One back way. Me have problem.
So that affect me for your problem. Me and your problem solver. You're not supposed to come to me.
It's not a matter of problem solver. I have a problem which involves somebody who you connected to right now. You understand me? I say
How that affect me?
that affect you because I need to carry back my money. I need my money.
Excuse me?
You need my money. My card. Hey, listen to me. One day, I'm kind of intoxicated. And I'm supposed to drop off one money and rate it. And me go to ATM machine and the card last. Somebody find my card and use my
I
card.
did not find a card.
Me not
why,
saying-
why you come on my yard and feel like say, if you can't tell me about this situation.
What do you mean why me come in here?
How this affect me? I did not find a card. Go back through my gate, sorry.
But you hear me I say to you?
Talk.
Your so-called boyfriend, see, film friend, obviously then catch him on camera because he put my card in the machine and then take away. I need my money. I don't want to go to police station or I just want to know if you just give me my card and give me my, no, you no can't give me my card, get card, take away. And my money off my card I want. And step away from me because I don't really like police.
No, come look.
Can't be-
Let me show you something over there, sir. Come and show you
Show
something.
some way.
You hear what you just said a while ago? My boyfriend, friend. How my boyfriend, friend matter to me?
Because you name wants my money. Oh, you pay for me, is for. I want to pay to me. Yo, I go
Listen to me.
Alright.
I don't see that man 2 days now.
We just know.
My
Me
boyfriend
not busy about that, but yeah, give me number,
Because
because
you see, the whole point is right here, so now, my boyfriend, I just what day me I tell him about you, say me and you be involved. But the same side,
I mean, tell them
You know what,
involved.
so me
Me never involved. I scam, you take my money. And you tell me, say, you want to do all these things and wait. I'm get over it because I'm a man who me down.
If I get over
Like,
it,
bring-
come back here for
Me,
content.
me I tell them I need my money.
Go find the man who keep my yard.
Deliver the message.
I'm not a news carrier. You know what it is.
Alright, listen to me. You think you answer us here? You know, me go do my left answer, I go to police station.
How that affect me? Me not involved in it, so
You are an accomplice because you know your name is my money.
I don't eat any of their money, sir. No money not come here to me. Now you cannot hear what me and say, I see my boyfriend 2 years now. I live on here, I do not man, but it seems I'm living myself.
Your choice. Then
You
you
understand?
pick well, I mean I said yes.
But if
Me
you
go
pick
in
up,
next time.
would have put pit.
Pit.
Yeah.
Pit you say.
Yeah, pit.
Next time you come over that place and me alone and me have FBI, police, CIA, all them things there.
Telephone.
Just know something tell that.
Telephone.
Get them come. Oh, you're not afraid?
I'm afraid from now to know.
You're not sure?
I did not do anything. I don't think I can. I don't find a card. So what me afraid from? I'm not in the house to hide. I was spending me over here and my man. There.
Remember mama tell you. Remember mama tell you, me is a man of my word, here. You see the money them why me make that go on. Come here and stand saying you better so I mean I said yes, just do the right thing. Call a man and tell him say me want my money. As simple as that. You get what I say? Alright.
You come through the ears and go through the other one. Cross.
You can't go on. Think about chatting business. Anything about chatting business?
Watch out. You can rest on me yard. Rest on here.
What's this going on here?
Rest on here. How about?
What you go other than? What kind of mission are your friend go for?
Where you
Because
talk?
all
Where
we
you
know
talk?
is the FBI come here to pay yard, you know.
What?
That's all we know. So you see any money where your friend go keep other day, you need to bring it back.
Money.
Because any money when you keep other day, that's the money you keep.
Money.
I mean, never know, sir, so no, me live until today. Nobody feel like
Me,
me
the
arrested.
thief rest. Oi, me the thief
So
rest the money.
we
What
gonna
day?
get money. Oh, me gonna get. I'm gonna ask you to come and get the money.
Me try share some me no get no money. First thing, I feel me virgin me and ISIS there road. I bring every time tell us me and my friend outside and me and him.
Oh, so I keep the money and get my bra.
Yeah, right.
So
And I really that me come round for access to me. What last time do me yard?
Me I tell her Rasta do here.
Watch out, it makes sense to cut you know. It makes sense to cut you know. It makes sense to cut you know. Fuck your things and cut. We don't want you don't want you have to move. Fuck your things and cut.
It seems like something wrong with your brain. It's come like you're mad. And your last 2 of your school when time your friend got thief. Because like all the teaching and killing and get to your brain.
You don't have fuck your things.
No, when me I go, I don't like say me guilty. Me guilty? Did I do something wrong? Eh? Me not going out here, sorry.
Yo. Pack your things on left. Pack your things on left. Me no want you no more. No more. Lift up.
So what me do?
What you Rasta me yard do?
I don't me bring me and him come here. Me not even know say Rasta knows there is something to live. You know,
Yeah,
this
watch
so.
out man. We no want left and yes and come back and see him. You know where Rasta you find him. Bad man.
A joke here, man.
Right now, more all the reason with you in it. Right now, be a foolish I go on in you.
What kind of reason, sir? But when you come to me so aggressive, what am I brother?
Dog, you know
Bad
what
man.
I'm saying. Listen to me now, man. You don't know what I'm saying.
You just get up out and bed, dog. Why so go on?
You don't know what I'm saying. Dip on the road and say me I go pull up and feel me black now. And for me say me I go pull up on my black. You don't know what I'm saying. You know Rasta.
You trust her?
The junkin boy, man. Junkin Rasta boy. Over me yard. Me a go and him. No, him a go and me a forward. Tell me now. The woman turn up round a house side with phone. I go say, we fi care back the man money. But me know deep in my heart say, I check the woman, you know. Cause one time me want look rumors say them a date. I check her about it and she a say, I scam me used to scam him on one bag of
Me a check in and me girl a check out to that man. Hey, careful.
Brother.
But me say, which money who fi give back who money? You work on money?
Me?
Mm.
You can't do fine. Listen me now man. You can't do fine. Rasta say see it on video in the machine. Can you go check out it and say see with me and you on video.
Hello, me and you in see.
Then I want to
see. You want somebody to fear for me? Hello, me and you in
oh,
see.
I wonder if you know say.
Yeah, where's the really good? Talk to me.
Wonder if you know say you had take things a joke like a joke me come here and sign out with you.
But they must joke here, Meg.
No, oh, me fit in a joke with them.
So they must joke here,
me fit in a joke with them. Bad man. The man forward than me and come chat about money with thief and one bag of something. And
So you
I want to feel like, no, you're mad to me thief money if you do. Just, what you know? If you can't get back your money, you just get it back. What you know? Because right now,
get it back for a
listen me. Me him say I walk and I look for you.
Get it back for a
You say I walk and I look for you too.
Walk and look for you. Make you look, you know me?
You know if you know where you live.
Me tell me that.
If you know where you live.
Because it's time I come in. Make you go look for me nice time. Make you look for me start blowing me. Melissa deal with them. Hear me say still. Hear me say to you, my brother. If I don't know where I live, just keep it that way. And the next thing to follow. Oh, you say, you see it on camera. But that means I pull over the idea and say I couldn't make up my face.
Who couldn't make out your face?
That's still not sound right, brother.
They start put some like a camera up on it.
You see, you get me now, you.
Who get you now?
You see, you get me now, you.
First place, let me ask you a question. Now you forward on the base. What do you call link me and I tell me say you find card. So how I mean make you in a this situation?
Yeah, cyber brain now you know you see there's a camera up sitting. You know that? You know them sitting there? I bring me that brother and I come like you're mad man.
You know long we not go down for any place you.
That's it, that's the talk, you shoot and talk one and you know all.
I don't know all, no if you know all.
What the hell is your drink? If you get to hear me say. You know what the hell is your drink up, sir? Listen to me. Listen to me. Go find some money too.
You all tell me about Storm and Forward and so forth. But I know right now, to many business about this and Storm and Mickey. Only thing me can tell you about it, you see Storm where that the Rasta there stir up in and go so easy. Cause Rasta come in a film yard and I go like he want to disrespect.
Bad man.
Brother.
Bad man.
When the Rasta you know say me I'm going for me that time when you start disrespect me. I don't want nobody have your road for chat say me I go kill man over woman certain way. And that's why I leave a push a certain way, you know, but what you know, I'm in my yard and come violate me now, you know. So anything you get, you must just hold it. Cause right now man, crab up right now, you know man. Right now, I'm not chatting with no boy on the road, you know. I go film me now anyway, and then I find him, you know.
I'll be a foolish shit, tell me about that.
If you tell about
them, I try to tell you, we feel pre-violence now. Daddy, remember, you have to go find some money, you know. Because if you man, sleep on camera for 3, you know. Then you can't get a station.
What you know? You better know, say. You see before you link you,
link me.
You mean then you know
link me. You know normally. I ain't gonna find out. Come, me now come on roadside. This is start.
But I'm sure you have to.
Start. Hey, listen now. Me walk in my house. I'm gonna tell you. Me go walk in. Me not lighter. And me lighter. Me not buy none.
Nah, my friend. What you know?
Me I go use the stove. Much on the stove. Me stay home. Them man see me now.
You're not making see you. Ring your bird. What you know? This just was here. Our spotting our scene and dead bird. What you see? You know? Look on.
Unavailable. So where she there? I'm gonna call her one more time. But I'm gonna say Jessica 2D, you know. So when could I do? I'll share this on my phone. I'm gonna call my sister. Hello. What? Well, they kind of stressed out, you know. Yeah, me here boy Stam, but it's Stam my Lisa my problem right now, you know, sister. Well, me and him not alright, you know. I call for tell us say. Mm, well, then listen what me have to say, sister. I call her for tell us say, right now me have to go come back home. Because something good on and the man put me out, you know. So me I go come up here and then go back for my stuff then. What you mean by that? No. Who give that the right to rent out my room? No, but you never asked me no permission for rent my room. So how comes you take up yourself go rent my room? No, remember so you know when time grandfather did a pass off, you know, and say, oh, it's a for me and you know. So how comes you take up it and feel your big brain so you rent out my room? That no have no if me go live with man. And my choice, me a big woman. Kara, listen to me, Kara. You see, me tell her say, me not turn my man yard, you know, because me not like problem. Me a come at me yard. You see, anybody you rent the room there, tell them so they need to come out because the owner come back feed. Or there's a problem in the yard there. You hear? Nice. I don't mind if you say a joke me a make. Me must say America my name. You hear? I put on certain lifestyle. I change. Kara, me I guarantee tomorrow morning because me not have nowhere else to go. More than to come back at me yard. There's nowhere else like home. You are your man. When make that the decision there, you try and make it. That's all me I tell you. As Scott take off in jazz a man in me I reach the day. You are storm, alright, storm, rain, shine, anything. Me a come to the win anything. If you want blow me away, but me a come and me other morning. Come on from my phone. The girl are mad, you know. I feel like something wrong with him, you know. But wait. Me there sir argue with my sister. The dirty ISIS me figure look for we start this a problem here. I dey put up.
Come on here, sir. How that?
Good evening.
Evening. How me can help you?
Are you Isis sister no?
Yeah.
Oh. But me know you and you know me. Anyway, where's Isis?
ISIS is not here. You realize that they call ISIS and you know answer me, answer ISIS and they here.
So you know which part me can't find him? Because it's emergency.
No, me know we can find our emergency, but
Anyway, like how you and my sister, I'm sure no sign of hide nothing from her. The past 2 days, you know where ISIS have been? Like, you know when do like, alright, this morning me the home, Our Rasta drunken man come to me and said to me, say, then see I see span camera, I using the machine, take out the man money and in do it with it. So what me I try to say here is your brother got thief.
Hey!
Your brother is a thief.
No. Hello, let me tell you something. You don't come and so can use the word the thief, right? So because we're not thief. You see how we are live? You see how we are live?
Alright, Timber.
My brother are not thief. What you mean by me brother? Take man card and take our money and buy. What are you talking about?
What do you want to talking about?
Huh?
You know, see your brother spend, your brother broke, your brother not have no money.
Oh, you know some
And by
brother
the
broke.
way, because your brother my man par. So if my man and your brother in a hot fire right now. So if I mean like you need to tell a brother to care back if people their money or else FBI will come in here
Or else what? So who cares about FBI?
Me
We
never say you
are
care
FBI ourselves. Who care about
I
FBI?
don't care where your brother
So what is the problem? Let me tell you something.
Your problem is your brother need to care back if people their
Let
money.
me tell you something. I don't know why you take yourself coming to me here. Because right now I'm going to tell yourself to dismiss yourself. I don't know why you come here, sir. If you can't tell me, so where you get them the news from. I lie on what tell upon brother. I don't want to hear nothing. I lie on what tell upon him. I want to know what look like money. I want to know what look like money. My brother not thief.
People then come to me and say then they look for your brother. So if they
So what is the problem now? Him not there, so what problem? Take it to the Lord. Him not there here.
To the Lord.
Yes, what the problem now?
Know yourself, you know.
What is the
Can't say me
problem?
never come warn you and make you know what one with your brother. So if I mean like you call him on the phone and find
Call who? He come like a man you want, girl. He come like a my brother you want. You see, me know so girl don't love people man, you know, no love people man. Yeah. No love people man, no love man.
Did I come here
You
and
not
ask you
take
for
man
your
from the idea, no new, no just love
No,
man
me
so.
did come here and ask you for your man.
So what you mean by you want
If
my brother
me want
number
a
and you
brother-
done tell me
Me never
something
tell you
already?
say me want a brother number.
But
Me
you
ask
done
you
tell
for
me
your
something
brother.
already.
And me ask you say when me can find a brother. 2 questions.
I'm
me ask
some
you.
don't know, take it to the Lord. Ask the Lord, I'm going in the middle of the road and say, God, where in there? Because I don't know where in there.
You see people
I don't know where
who
they.
love the people name when I don't have the name I carry pound.
Girl, you
But
never
no,
hear
you
about
said
me
it's
yet. You don't know
alright,
about
okay.
me. Me a gold digger, me a junk crook, me a everything in a one. You never hear about me.
Let me tell you something.
First
That
flock
didn't
together.
work before
Girl,
me
first flock
came
together. Go on where you go. Yesterday, so for you talking, make no
Me and
sense
no
to me
friends,
right
so brother
now.
have to flock
Yeah, I mean, I'm better flock together. Go and go take
Yeah,
it to
you
the
are
street
not
now.
thief.
Yes, like you're a dirty man.
Me?
Like a
And
dirty
you,
man.
man, and your brother are thief.
Like a dirty
You
man. Your man a what? What you say your man a what? Your man I'm a
It's
brother and
alright.
friend. How he look?
Have
How
a
your
nice-
man looking bald or in rasta? With my which one? Am I white or black? Which
have a
one?
nice day.
Which one?
Have a
Cause
nice
if my rasta I'm an imposter just like you. What? Come back to my yard. Nonsense. Rubbish. You can't believe, eh? You can't believe this little dirty foot girl coming at me here and come tell me some brother thief. I can't believe that. Go on, your business. Go call a boy ya. I sis, you see if you make me spit and if dry and reach out, watch me and you come, me say if you come now. And I ask me what, come over here now. Rubbish. So long they call it a little red kid boy and know him can't reach. So I have to wonder if
So not reach, brother.
sometimes I have to wonder if
Let me tell you, me say
let me
everything
continue
girl.
to talk about that. So I have to wonder if we have the same mother
Why
and
free now?
same father.
No, but
I sis, come here. Come don't want nobody hear me. Come here now.
I know what I'm talking about. Mission me the
Like just put your ears in here now. Put your ears in here. What make you such a thief? Eh? What make you such a thief? Who you fi gang and take?
Oh, you still like,
People care.
wait,
Oh, you fi gang and take people care.
Wait, thief. We call thief. Better that man.
I know me call a thief. I know me call a thief. I won't never would have to say you're a thief because guess what now? You're gonna take the man card and take off the way you call it there. The money off of your card and use it and go like say you make money when a thief, you thief. You know, me need to load it up because once you're a thief, them will say me a thief too.
Hey, you're not a thief nothing. And you should be ashamed of yourself, Tina. They can't believe you believe people. And I come like you want to calm me down with them. You join them, you say whole neighborhood, you join the whole neighborhood. Against your brother.
I run together to me and then tell her who come here.
Oh, well, sorry, my apologies, my name no.
We run out together and chase together and
Who?
one girl, he having some rasta looking braid or something. And she thick and he must be there with, I must see a friend.
She there with
a friend, must be a friend or something. Me want maga boy, I don't know if I know the maga boy. Or the rasta we want call, one rasta some.
Who never hide your way tags?
Let me tell you what boy name. Bulby.
Bulby, come on.
Yes, me are here.
Why come
you know, you never talk about Bulby what day. Say you go with some friend.
What is my
Say you're thief. You're thief off the money.
The
man card. You're thief off the money and for the man card. And go flash with it.
Listen to me. I never thief now. What classify as thief? What classify as thief? Tell me.
So if I take the card and use it and I pay it and I
Listen to me now. Don't come burst some money now. I'm buy cash back. But you come like say the true God see tell me I wrong, none of them I buy and I never go win. But put a card in my way. If me can hold a fight. Sister, I say no, I jag it for you. I will go. I say will go buy anything and bring out I
see so make it so. I see. You know me go see your work list. You know me go see your work list. You have the money today and buy a man in it done.
No, come feel that I'm going to cash back, but cash back, you want to different list today.
Reach to the Bruk tomorrow, I saw you do it. What's much 2 grand? You realize that I eat me nice, clean here just do me here. You realize that my money invest in me here just I know.
A different thing you tell me. Boy, me tell the boy.
It's same card, me go thief money up. What go to the card?
Brother, I'm not telling you.
Worthless.
So now you forgot thief now. I said that I got thief now.
No, me I said if you go finish thief. Me I said if you go finish thief because you know how me know say me have a little slight idea say is I'm thief it true. Let me tell you. Let me tell you why me a burn out against it too. Cause let me tell you something, you know, me back here, you know. But just see when me alone, me will burn you out and class you and do that. But if me see a road, me defend you, in my yard, me defend you. But when me tell you something, you know, me a burn out against you now. You remember when you have money for money, you know what you do with it? You're tight with it. The only drink me drink and smoke was the night. But when I give me a little money, I could give me here say girl want come check it. That's why girl have a bar. Jessica want come check you. And me here say your Bobby shop money for her.
No, me not give no money, but you know, be serious. Me have money. Me don't know where here say me have money for. So just give me a pill and bounce him, give me a bounce in the evening. You know you go.
I see. FBI you come here. Police I go come here. And you see when they come here, they go tell them say me no know nobody name so. And me not police, I go come here because the girl say FBI.
Who?
Yeah. I go come here because the girl say if somebody will take the money from, I go carry police up here. And when they come here, they just check out me 2 foot and my animal and say search. Nah, not my phone. Search. I mean, I don't know who them are.
I don't know them neither. Machine take back the card.
Machine take back the card, yes. Where the money there?
You spend on 5 party, man, and money. I'm going to give them. I don't know, I'm going to go there.
So when you go down, you bring me down to a place and go drink out the money.
Listen to me. If you ask for me, you don't see me. Simple as that. Me will call you don't call me. And so anytime I call you go hear me say one little code first before me start talk. And see if people did it, you just tell me say you're busy, you can't talk.
I see. Take out the money out of the bag. Take the money out of the black bag there. disappear from here, no come back every 1-2 months or one week or something. No 1 week. 1 month or 2 months. Just take your money and just go on. Cause from mommy and daddy gone, just turn one piece of disgrace for me like say if you take care right. Everything what you do, me must take care right.
I can't get jackpot, man. I can't get jackpot, man.
Give me back.
So, man, you go and so now, you're not telling for going now, but wait, what happened?
Take out 5,000 and don't come back.
5,000 alone? Could take out one more 5,000 then?
That's why they say no. That's why they say. Boy, look at they will get what they will get. Something what they don't want. Yeah. You take out what you want to take out. Take out what you want to take out. Alright. Let me check the bag. Let me check the bag.
Yeah, man, check before we get to it. I'm going to chat to my teeth. Check your money.
I sis, I told you to take out.
Come on, listen, man. Sis, baby, I'm care of these things. Go on to 10,000 and care of that.
I sis. Alright.
Set me up and try to grow on the thing in the road.
So chat to them, see to them man for show, man. Like you go for show.
Be the things, yo.
I fear woman come to my sister, tell my sister about Rastaman business.
My
What fear woman? What fear woman that call different other man business for?
But man, me tell the girl if left me a long time.
You go mention things to your
woman. Tell the girl if left me a long time. Cause I'm a man.
Style about
I'm a woman, brother. Me tell her this. Anything you want to do, she can do. Anything she want to say, she can say. No business, I'm no response. Youth. Yo, what's on right now? If an argument you want with me right now,
are you come big argument? You know, just when I want to get
things that yo.
Think you're serious because people come to my sister, tell my sister about how me a thief and bag of things. How people are coming if you say me a thief. That means you walk on a chat to me, daddy.
Say me a walk on a chat say. Me a walk on a chat say. Me a walk on a chat say.
But anyways, this is not come. That
walk on a chat say.
I said don't for the bar, me want to go change from
bar. I don't want to go for no bar with you now.
I tell man, you mention man, just chop at 10,000, brother.
You say, you chop 10,000?
And we can't over drink, brother. You let be a violence and be a foolish. That you want to tell me?
You see.
See what? Yeah, forward.
You see, you chop 10,000.
Somebody have a drink, brother.
Right now, more everything, you know.
What?
No, what's the 10,000 we are talking about?
But man, I see a deal friend them you.
Right now, we have to hold on you. Alright, that's right.
The rest of the girl like that.
Watch it,
no, listen, the rest of So that you me a talk to. Me a watch you know. When you start sleep out your body a draw down. How this all? Hey, how am I calling for? Yo! Yo! Me there, what one?
Next your favor, answer, cause I think I get out of hand.
No, you what me a say no, my brother. I need one call my brother. One girl come in here, Melissa, and I mean I really have no favor to give you right now. Anybody else, but no you know. But me I go hear what you say, Skill. What you say?
This is a style of wiki, because I say a style I talk about. I know this time, this. You understand? Calling me, please.
Calling who?
Me.
You come like you hear me, I tell you so the last time I alone me here, brother. Me done with you because you're not changing your look dirty life.
Alright, no. Stop drinking.
What do you mean you top drink? You much bar me go clear for bills them for you.
Yeah, but calling. Yeah, calling me, man.
What? Yo. Me I come. Yo, me I come check it for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes, you know.
Yes, sir, it is.
And if a fool you shut up on me, I go about my business, you know. Cause I don't have time for you, you know.
I'm very foolish, man. Father, man.
Alright. Yo, I was how much people have good brother. I was brother me having my family brother. The man don't want to change look dirty life. You see, me go down there in a foolish, me just come back to my yard, you know.
God created the earth and not man. Eh? If you have a problem with alcohol, you want to turn water into wine. You want to do that, you know? Let's drink to the hard-working people. I want the next bottle. Under my teeth. Over my gum. Watch out belly rum I come. So I don't feel like.
Yo,
What man?
just hurry up and talk, I'm in a whole time, you know. Cause Melissa coming up. I'm going to go over bridge go get one girl to come and Melissa coming up. So just hurry up and chat, me have a whole day, you know. Should even come down here in the first place. What you say now?
You tell this man. Yo, we are brother, you know, man. We are brother. Blood brother. Same blood run through the vein. The vein, yeah? I see him run through the vein. Yeah. You understand me? I say, so me not say, yeah, come say, Melissa Star, I come, I want this, I want that.
So you just know say me here, brother. You never know that for a long time.
Alright.
For all life foolish, you never know.
Alright, you know you know which day you can link me?
Who if you can link you?
No, me say, remember a day when you can link me.
Yeah, me remember you me can link you and me tell you so me now come back down here. Me don't know why Father God touch me on me and say we going back down there.
Yeah, my brother. Alright. Yo, you know say my bank card miss up. And I go down my bank to get one new card. And it's like when we get the card, I don't want to draw money. You realize the money in the card. And you see to myself,
So what you tell me that for?
this is the story, man. And the story I truth. So I'm going now if you go ask people and walk on, how much money there? Eh? Them a tell to me say, if me don't know say job, I say me don't drop the money. One thing, I'm explaining to them say, the reason why I'm going to do the damn card and get a replacement is because the card miss up. And them a show me that transaction, people go a club, people this, like, you know, swipe money and I be a swipe. Swipe on me 555,060 cents. Eh? And everything gone. And me say to you man say, but how this can sort out and rate. He say better me go to police station and give me one statement. And then long and short, them go show me one thing now and say, the last time he was a yasser. You understand?
Use what?
It can't use, because them say it can't get taken away, and if the violation thing come up and picture take.
Hold on there.
Out in a machine shop.
Hold on there. You're sure you don't use half money you know member?
This is boy, me not do this on the back side there, man. We keep, you listen to. Alright, let me see you can. Me not use it. Me not read my voice at me, brother. You understand me? I say, really and truly, when I call it for, me need some money and now for borrow. Because we can't go through. See, this time I come, brother, I have to go buy some stuff. I have to go buy some stuff.
No, hold on there. Eh? Hold on there. Because when I go to school, you know, I never sit down in front of the class, you know. I never sit down in the middle, you know. Me sit down at black of the class. But me still when you have look of sense. Where you say look while?
Me say, man, let's stack up.
So what you have to do with me?
You say, me and my brother, I'm go thief. You want thief? Me say the thief. And me check the youth, you know. Because me here I go and see picture. I identify the guy and rate it. And he might tell me, say, he nah, give me money in a truck badness for my rate it. I want to hold mix a long story short, me I cut you.
So what you tell me, say? You find the youth to take out your card and draw your money?
Yeah.
So why you not report it and make the police deal with it? Cause to be honest, you know, I swear to God, to be honest, when you stress me out, me have to pay money and run bar and take care of your problem. Me rather you get locked up if you go thief and me come bail, you know. Cause at least me know say the 2 weeks or the 3 months where you go in there and go drink no rum, you know.
When you drink, no man, listen to me, I say, you cannot afford a brother to go to jail. Your reputation mash up. Are your bloodline with cross up, you don't want that.
Yo, let me tell you something. I mean, I tell you the honest truth. Me not have no money for you, you know. Cause right now, you see me give you money, me know the problem when me I put yourself. Put me and put yourself, you know.
You don't work hard for my money? Eh? You don't work hard for my money? Oh.
Lord Jesus Christ. Hey!
I want to shut. Oh.
Jesus Christ. Me know that you can't trick me, you know.
Me not trick you, brother. I really need the money.
Look there.
What to it?
At 63 you drink, you know.
Yeah, but a long time back, the whole buckle that is empty.
Hey, me know, hey. Me don't know why Father God send me down here, you know. Me not have no money for you. Me say me not have no money. Go and go team make me like come here, because me not give no money, you know. Me feel like you call me down and me have a good relationship and me have to change things as a brother and we live good. And you top drink. Look there. Eh? You drink Kingston 63. Jesus Christ, you. Me gone on my yard. Me now come back down here.
Brother, I see the man. Back brother. I'm going to go there. I think drink rum for the start. Rum is a must.
Back on the place. How you come here for then?
We're not going to figure no argument there. We just come here to get the things from
the things them?
Yeah, the things them.
But most of we India me buy you. So I mean decide mine if more you forward or more you cut. But what you know?
I don't understand the statement, but I understand.
Say, go on and give me space. That me say, go on. No one clear my brain. Because I realize beyond the Rasta boy there, you know, he come like say, yo, a team up and a try spread me name in a look Popo Ganzi or whatever I want to call. What you know, man?
Team up. Listen to me. If
brother,
man send soon upon
severe camera.
I draw out him money. I only know.
What you know, man?
Never did it. Remember something?
No, you never did it. But you chat, and I grow, and I tell. Because few brethren link me and make me know, say, you know, yeah, go to his sister and I tell him, say, him a thief, you know. And then something, you know, grieve me, because what, I mean, go come back to say, I am me in a relationship and one, but make you know, still, you know, say, they let you go already, you know. They make you know, you know.
Yesterday, I got ISIS yard to find out what really going on because I don't understand what situation, right? And when I go there, I see sister. So I start telling sister what really happened. Then his sister cuss me and run me out of here. Listen to me. I don't really care about him cussing or anything. I want to know what really going on because it affect my relationship right now. Because it put me in a one space where I stop the things, but it seems like you want me to do things.
Yeah. But what you know, I know me I go feel certain way when you do things. You not go feel it.
Yeah, you feel a way.
But what you know, me sure you are free. Me sure you are free. You see you on the Rasta, you can go back to the Rasta, tell him say me say him better and make me see him. Cause what you know, man, in this me come to my own place and I try this me now. I don't depend on that right now. I don't depend on with you now, you know.
Rasta man not come to this way. You only come here. Are you matter of fact, are you come?
Me come to you,
and when you come,
the way come to me for.
And you start telling me what happened.
Yeah, man, it makes sense. You and him go and look and watch the man. You see me now, you see me the thief off of my own, me no follow back up. So what I never say, me a thief, me and my friend a thief, or my friend a thief. they say show me your friend and me tell you who you are. Like you call me thief.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
your
but what
friend
kind of
a
man?
thief. So,
Yeah, my friend a
say,
thief. My
as
friend
I
a
say,
thief.
show me
But
your friend and me
yeah,
tell you who you
we
are.
a
And
thief.
there's a brother from
No
fella
get me
flock
wrong.
together.
No
Yeah,
get me
your
wrong.
friend are the same thing. It was
Listen,
not
no get
thief.
me wrong.
And that's what do feel the
No
beef.
get me
As
wrong.
a
Me a
matter of
thief.
fact, you know,
Me
see
know
me in a
that.
farm, me can't tell them about
All
this
right,
and
take your
that.
time going back where you come
But me
from.
nah know if you go.
All right, what you know? Low me do alone. Low me do alone.
Listen to me, more going out
So low.
because me and I come down and more going out. Go.
But I know my fault. I know my fault. I know my fault. All right, want to shop the right out there so you can go under the shed. No, me I am. Me never tell you. No, you can't tell me if you up me door for you, boy.
What you mean? Me can't tell you that.
No, you can't tell me that. Me go about.
Me say up in the door, not because you have me say I have to fire now. Me know I have to fire you. You know I have to fire now, so I'm afraid of you.
So you
Up
try
in the
this.
door.
This you try this.
Yeah, when you're not having me this year, but when you're having me calm myself.
Let's see how go on now.
They are trying to so they can do. But when I say, oh, you want to farm, you don't back up on this year already?
Oh, me understand. Me understand, alright, my friend. Right now, me just say, me do me hair and sitting and locking. You understand?
Girl, you know, easy non-style. Your sister come here do ear and a pretty up. A party other?
How what do you? You know hear what's her name? Melissa, more fi hotter Melissa. What do you? Eh? You never hear about me yet? Me lock up my shop, girl, and I go on easy. Cause more when the storm come, me look good, me look titivating and look alright. You understand? Yeah, me and you are the same thing.
But girl, you're me a big. I thought me a big. You know the little shop where me have run a mango can around it, so you can't come go spend 1 2 hours around the place and
Jessica,
yeah.
me just tell her say, me lock up my shop, right? And me buy up my goods, then me buy up me like my food stuff and then sitting there. And lock in. Right? And know. So how much you want me to stay around my shop?
Just 2 hours, girl. Remember say you don't sit it straight up and everything. I cannot do that, you know. Cause me have to go look some food. And some food no one run go look to come back, girl.
Alright. I want no reason me I do it for you. And I show me who you want favor. And I know say in return me I go want back one from you. So you know friends for you understand? Yeah, so me can't cause you have a business to deal with. But when you say just couple hours, 2, 3
Just 2 hours, man. Just 2 hours. Cause that means I'm supposed to need more than that. Remember, you know, right about now, I'm not really not the money, you know. Really not the money, but because them say we take this thing serious, I want them 2 bottles of water, 2 tin mackerel, pound of flour, and probably 1 pound of rice or something to put on the house. That when the hunger start bite, and me can't come over here, you have to go and get nothing to eat. Me can't have put in my house to cook, girl.
And you know, say you're not easy. You're not easy, you know, because you hear say, Melissa come how long? And you wait till this time if you go get 2 little mackerel, 2 little this. You love mackerel till you feel like me. I from if you tell you the truth. You love mackerel too much, man, Jessica, man. If you buy chicken and eggs sitting there too.
Girl,
Life not done for you, so.
Hold on there. Then in this Melissa's family, we expect just to come. Which fridge are going to if it freeze, meat and all of them stuff? The what better than tin mackerel? You can go on. It's alright. I love tin mackerel. Me continue to eat tin mackerel, girl. It's what we can afford me buy.
Alright, as me say, me done bat up your house already and everything, so me not worry about Melissa, me not worry about the storm there. You understand? What am I going to do it for you here?
Me love, run come, because me there wait for you.
Eh?
Yeah,
Girl, just go on and let the place now, girl. Go on, just shove up the door or something. Let you win them up in. Go on, go do what you do.
Alright,
Me I come now.
Alright.
Yeah.
Come on.
Alright.
first, me I see her now. There you go. Thing good. So, what is the name? Alright, just serve me one white rum special, please. Stamp. Them say half of the stamp is a calm. You want to hear something?
So you want me to shout?
I'm not shouting.
Why you shouting?
I just always talk strong, that's all.
You're not happy to talk so.
But what you say that?
You're frightening me.
So you want to talk to you like this?
What you want, sir?
So you want to talk to you like this, man?
What you want? White rum, JB, Campari, Brandy, Beehive, what you want?
You see the funniest part about it? The first thing I said was, I want a white rum special.
Yeah, come never hear it, because you just distract me.
So why you give me that attitude for?
I never hear you.
And
the white rum done.
Give me
Pick
the,
something else. I want the JB.
yeah, give me the give me the JB. Goodness. And time sitting there, man.
That is the problem. That is the problem. We are two different persons.
So why you so pretty and so miserable? Oh, a prettiness coming miserable?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yes. Worse when you walk with something good. You never know.
Alright, everything good. You never know. If you want me to know, you can know, you know. Yeah, you know. So what is your name? My name is
My name is Pinky. And your name
No, it's like I was just looking at the fact saying about giving it enough. Boom. I think. So I just say it to you because, you know. I think you have a little bit.
What else you need, sir?
I think you have a little bit long, but it's alright. Take it.
400.
I tell you this. You see, when you go to a restaurant and you sit down and eat food, as they give you food, so you give them money. Eh?
Hey, listen to me, big man.
Stop.
It's not the I want to go see in a shop.
No, I see a pretty girl.
Okay.
I like a lash them.
So when you come in a shop, what was the sign that you see?
I don't see no sign. Life is one big world without a sign. I don't see no sign.
We don't trust. Okay. So once you buy something, you put on the money right away.
You see, you know the purpose of a rum bar. I don't understand if you understand that. It's to come release a problem and release the stress. You know? I tell you, say, I go through some things, my friend. Pretty face like him, you know, you're not gonna really know people, you know, like me kind of people, what do the kids with me. I go through one thing, I say, you know, I lose some weight, you love money, not true. I know you like money, a pretty girl always love money, you know. Like a shot, me lose $560 out of my account.
What?
500,560 Jamaican dollars to my account in a one day. Whoops, gone. Can you imagine? One day. And you see, I don't know why I feel comfortable to talk to you, but you have a good energy, a good spirit. I love you.
So me have some question.
Yeah.
You go to the bank.
Yeah, of course, I'm going to the bank. Tell me. Yeah, because I lost my card. And, you know, we realized I lost my card. I go to the bank. And the bank tell me, say, me fi actually, you know, get a statement. Me get a statement. And, you know, the only thing really need to go to police. I'm afraid of me not like police. Because last time I go to police and, you know, talk to me and I stammer. And then feel that I get him attitude and they lock me up. And I said to myself, say, why would I want to do that to a man where, you know, man,
no, but you need to make one statement. Because let me tell you something, you know. You know? My pretty one may have sense, so let me tell you something.
Tell me.
You see, drinking rum only take away a problem today. You see, tomorrow?
Drink again, take away a problem again tomorrow. That's
See,
the
tomorrow,
solution. Yeah.
the problem come back right on you, and you just drink again, and drink and drink and drink. Rum don't help situations like that.
So what
You
is
understand?
so what type of situation like
Yeah.
that? Pretty girl like you.
Like, yes, you lose 500,000,
1,000,
right?
560
65 Jamaican dollars, right?
65, 60.
60 Jamaican dollars, right?
Right, I get it.
You feel like you rum help you?
Of course.
Like you lose so much money and you drink rum. For ease your mind, yes. But what about when the rum done and you get sober?
When we get sober?
When I get sober, you
When you
start
get sober?
thinking about it. Huh?
When I get sober for?
You know what rum do to people?
Make you sleep and relax the damn self. That's all I can tell you.
No, it make people go on like a damn idiot.
So me go like a damn idiot?
You understand? And it make them stagger.
Alright, so
and it
if,
make them talk one bag of things.
so if
Because me not judge if you can't tell me a business now. But you soon walk out there so go tell the whole neighborhood now say
this a boy,
they rob your money
but I tell you what
because
you
of
do.
the rum. So the
No.
rum make you talk.
Listen to me, man. I just feel comfortable to talk to you. I'm here. It's like, you see the person that want to take my money. I know them, you know? I see them face. Because the whole thing set away with.
So who is this person that robbed?
I wish me know the name yet. I still know the name, man.
You know the person
I see the person. I see the person I run by. I run somewhere I want to go, but everything good. I leave it to Jah. When Jah hold him, you feel problem that. But me as a still. Enough for that, man. So what
yeah,
is
me think me here enough already. Come money now, pay for your rum.
Alright, that's. Alright, you may do. The girl I was there, she was right on my name and thing. Okay, don't disrespect the rum on me.
No, me not disrespect you, me not disrespect you. What you mean by and a girl who the bar then that's so no,
I feel
and me there so.
I feel your place.
Hello.
You know me?
You see why people come
You
and
know me?
come work for
You
them?
don't know me, man.
They not trust. Where you get that from?
I
So
feel
you
your
forgot
place,
them.
sir.
I don't business.
What you mean, sir?
I don't give a flying shit. Pay your money. Dirty Rasta man, pay your money.
What you call it, Rasta
Pay
man?
the money.
I should be today.
Fly by day, pitch by night. Pay the money.
Fly
Give me
by
the money. Give me the money.
Relax, man. I just sit me take out that cup anyway. So you can hold that. Me soon forward, man. Relax yourself.
Don't tell Juki Rasta.
Right down my name in that book. Right down my name in that book.
So go on out and get back your money. You get back your rest of rum. Who you?
Give me my
Come
rum.
on.
Give me my rum. You spoil the vibes, you know.
You're not getting no rum.
I want like you make
Go
rum
on
bar.
the money and come back for the rest of the rum.
I want like you make rum bar and come like a wrong thing, you know.
Oi, come like a wrong thing.
Right.
Now what you doing? I mean, what you find the best? You see them back there? You see them back there? They will not miss your face. Come on, shoot.
See? So give me about 25, 35.
Yeah, about 25 minutes, 25.
But hear me, I say to you, try. Don't touch my rum.
Try not touch your
Rum.
rum.
5, man. I'm a gentleman.
Now come back and you see what I'm to your rum.
What do you mean something wrong?
Go on.
Is it not a good bartender?
And now come back at the girl at bar and because I don't know what kind of cross is this to follow me. What kind of destruction this. What are they? Isis. I see the things now.
Where are Jessica shop?
No, ask me that. Me they ask her a question. I saw you do things now. Where are they?
So let's go get a drink though. I should go get a drink and show her.
No, listen.
Don't pack up my things in my hand.
Listen.
Turn on the man. We come here so far.
Isis.
Turn on.
Isis. Give me back my money.
Which money? Me not have the money.
Isis. You see, me give 5,000 with a willing heart in as a sister, you know. And you take one next 5 penny. You see, you take the next 5 penny, me want back everything.
I believe I have that them on there right now, but one of my friends try to kill me for that money, the things they give me. Come on, can you give me that with you now?
Yes,
Stick me up with for that money there. You either call demons back your money from me. Yes, you give me money if live up. I want to take you or something for the Tananga. Being a man that's relax, someone just walk on the side and get to a half a dog.
Give which half a dog, dirty boy. Eh? Give which half a dog. You have money? You have money to buy people them rum?
What Jessica?
Jessica not there. You say you live a life. Look how you live a life. You don't see how you live a life.
How am I live my life?
Eh?
How am I live my life?
You live a life worthless and workless and everything in a one.
Yeah, God, me tell you, if you tap listen to people, you know, brother, because it's fire and some people start part, me see a change. Me see a switch up and me lick while lickly, you know. Where you get them attack
I
from?
switch me, I switch
tell
up
you,
on
say,
you.
money you give me pull around and yard, my bag pack up, me just come to have a gym to go on for my journey. And you they deal with me already.
I switch me, I switch up on you.
Judge you.
Me just tired of the little shenanigan style, little refugee style we have where me just
Man,
tired of
you
it.
don't know whose time
Me tired of your style.
You have to make man anywhere, anyhow, but you know, nothing funny, no time, no
Which money you make, ISIS? Where money when you make? Money, which money you make? Let me tell you something, you know.
Man, yeah, give me one for drink.
Let me tell you something, you're not getting no rum. And listen to what me I say, one man come here a while ago tell me problems.
Which man?
Say.
Everyone me going to tell me about man.
I tell me, say, listen
up.
up. I tell me, say, somebody TV money I find card. Rub up some money for him. So, I wonder, what on our Rasta man.
Me no thief no money for no. Me tell you say you come at blood this time. Me no tell you say a card me find somewhere. Me no tell you say me walk on roadside and find a card put on a roadside. Me no know who card belongs to.
ISIS, I'm going to tell you something.
But you know that blood this time.
You see, mommy and daddy did there.
And you see
You
thing
could
now.
go on, so, but
You
let me
see
tell you
thing now.
something.
Wait, which one go share? You see they go on now. Whether they are really drink anything and I go and see the skin at it going the puff craving here and you the skin but now
you see
true money
2,000 millennium.
Me live my life
No,
what
you see 2,000 millennium.
which 2,000
You see 2,000 millennium when you come back from me tell me say you get dream. And you see money in me have in my house as a thief. And my money is worth me drink out back out of room them where you buy night. Yes. You never see how me look. You never see how me put on me hair and me
regardless, you drink down. You got anything good down.
Yeah, but me drink back out my money is worth.
Yeah,
So what you say now? You can't take up yourself and remove one or Friday so because you're not getting a rum. Come on, now people them shop before me call out thief by you. Go on, come on. Go on.
Tell you you chameleon, yo.
Yeah.
Yeah man, snake.
Yeah, me love you but
Yo.
me love you but listen. Me love you but
me know you love me.
But not today. You need to come out that place and remember more of me 10,000.
Wrap it up and throw it away.
Yeah, remember some more of me 10,000.
No, look at this. Let me see me again. You think I'm mark your face? Eh? Let me see me mark your face. Eh? Let me see something wrong with me. What you talking about?
Mark my face, boy. What I'm
My money. Eh?
You give me money?
Let me see me give you money.
Me no business transaction. Me no money transaction, bad man. I'm like here born coke, you know.
Me a bun coke.
So you're wrong with your head.
Me a bun coke. What you say?
Wham.
Let me say what? I'm a money, where my money the boss.
You sure say me I look for?
Let me say me sure say me
You sure say me I look for?
No, you use me card, man.
Come like you're sick in the Rasta boy. Which card?
Which card?
Come like you're a mad man.
Me sick in my head.
You come like you're sick. What you see?
Me sick in my head.
But did they make this? You're cokehead.
You know see me?
Pinky. Yo. Pinky got me, man. I'm more shy.
You know, say something I have to let off for Pinky do.
Let off.
I want a package me have to let off.
Yeah, let off for me, man. I'm say Steiner, man.
No, the people didn't say me to let off it to Pinky. They never say me to let off it to
Watch
you.
it, man. Watch it. I understand that. Me see it's a serious business. And ISIS million. I tell them I can't trust me.
Me know if your ISIS your name and a Pinky your name.
Me know, but think I'm a big sister. I'm going to play business. Look, I'm left me as a trust. Me left me as a member and I film business space in telephone. That's in preparation that we're going to say, I'm waiting in done.
So when me a carry, you say if Pinky no get this here, me a go in a deep trouble, you know. That's why it's funny they say Pinky, they never say Pinky, brother.
No, well, I understand the situation.
But sure it's a good hand.
Look on them. Good hand. You put on your lighter. Good hand. No work it work. You cannot waste the time.
Me work with the asset to me.
Listen to what you say.
I work with the asset to me, you see me?
Oh, cause
The whole pinky get it for real. We say stink around my bathroom.
peak in the beard. Not too long left me right there, so. So me know say now done for an hour and a half.
Alright.
Right.
Me say, see right there, so? Look. Pinky.
Alright, look.
Alright. So just make sure you know say I pop it and let's see that say, you see me?
Alright. No say alright. Pop it down.
Alright.
Oh, are you name yourself?
Yeah, man, I'm in here, so.
If you're word, man, big up yourself, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Big up yourself. Then buy no pinky to get the pocket there.
Watch what you say, man.
Do respect and package, man. Beg you.
Look off on, man. Oh, watch what you say.
Alright.
Good day, sir, man.
What kind of package this? Rich again?
To
One day at a
subscribe.
time.
You subscribe yet?
One day at a time. Cause if me rich today, I'm broke tomorrow. I just saw it go. I live my life like I just win the lotto. My dream, buy big Benz and dress lean. Shell every bar like a crime scene. Do you know what I mean? Know what I mean? Cause rich today, I'm broke tomorrow. I just saw it go. Me, I live my life like I just win the lotto. So me, I go come millions. Got me gal on the billion. She act so silly. So me Africa Shelly belly big pop and love the way she whine. Love the way she take outside. Get to use, get to tree. Public report. Because if me race today, I'm broke tomorrow. I just saw it go. Me, I live my life like me just win the lotto. Hey, ain't no Ponzi scheme. This is just a dream. Yeah. Cause if me race today, I'm broke tomorrow. I just saw it go. One life to live, one mouth to feed. Yeah. Pasta, burger, chicken, pizza, curry goat. Still none yam no pork. Goodbye mackerel. See you until me broke again.
Yo, bro. Yo, you alright?
Hey, you say me alright?
You alright?
How are you, man?
Yo,
How are you?
I look say if you're alright, brother, come in know say star mash up everybody.
How are you doing, house? Are you? Oh yeah, you mash up my place.
No, brother, you don't say I storm. Me help you up, man. Yo, brother.
So,
You alright? You don't hurt no way.
are you? So hold on. I say I'm going wicked, man.
No, man. And your brother, me see no man. And me I tell him say, yo, me could go check if you're alright.
Him now come here, no. Him now come here. I dirty man that. Cause if the man come here and he see me a drink like a rum. Cause he know me have a problem. Cause they rob me, you know. They rob me, take out my credit card and save everything. But everything will meet one little friend and then
Alright.
buy my little thing.
Yo, that ain't a pass. You don't want to hear about the past. You want to hear about walk on and so. Here, what? Come with me and even stay down in my yard. If you don't want to stay down in my yard, you can stay on a shelter because right now, after this storm, you know, when nobody now, most people don't know if you stay, you know.
That's true.
So we are the forward now.
Rum down there.
Bro, all I shop them with all the rum, they mash up.
What?
I know I best time to tap drink now.
What means shop mash up? So is there no rum in that shop?
Brother,
Huh?
I don't have time to think about rum now, man. Just
So-
think about your own safety. Just come jam in place. I say one shelter.
So it.
So come in, you know.
Alright. Yo. Front of room, it don't make no sense. I'll
Alright.
take time go on here, sir.
Alright, if I say yes, yes.
Yo, you see, I'm a brother. We're not too wicked.
Alright.
I don't know, some have a problem with them. I give me, yo, I hear me. Yo, smash up bad man. I want to walk side of man. If I come knock out the place, I come up. Huh? You're no breeze.
ISIS!
Yo,
Oh, for me, I say, it look like you're even there about you.
bad man. I see a jargon for me in a charge. I feel look good, you know.
You know joke me around with that, my friend. Yeah, go on, go me jargon pan. You know what joke me around, bro. Because I don't want to use him, me not use it. Because I'm my friend. I am a real friend. No, I'm not upon my friend. See that, my friend.
Why pray now?
They had to accept me to look at 10 grand from you, man. Because right now, I'm broke and hungry for chilling. You know. Believe me, I'm telling you, my friend.
Boy, if I tell you the truth right now, but I take you from you, my dog, right now. Because you know, we're not fresh, but we're not too strong, brother.
So
not so active.
So you say, I can't get to 10. Can't get something there. Nothing at all.
What I forgot look?
Anything me get me take my friend, because right now, from Melissa pass through you to come like say everything just all the Rasta.
But remember, say Melissa, I see him Jamaican me to Melissa pass by my place too, you know.
You like Melissa go on the Rasta.
Which Rasta?
Same Rasta boy we violate. I feel like say and I go say we rob him. Yeah man, the same Rasta say we rob him. Catch you know?
Daddy, for sure, for sure. Alright, for sure how me even have meds that Rasta boy there. Me I figure that's why they say me rob them.
Yeah like, no man.
No man, light man, light. Me say you a big lighter thief, you know man. Light. No take off your fire leash, man. Light. Cause me don't tell you jargon for me or the bad man. What I'm telling you, man. So you say you're going differently still though?
Yo.
Cause I'm gonna make some money in a car, see that stand blow everything, dog. See that.
So yeah.
The zinc dust put on back at them broke. Then me tell her dog right now, serious you.
No, I'll come a girl from the day I run him out of the yard. I don't hear from him nor see him back. Boy, I hope Melissa deal with that right. Cause baby bunny give me in my yard, and Rasta in can in my yard. He feel like say, oh Melissa need to go deal with that. Yeah man.
I calm man.
Melissa feel me pain.
I feel calm man, cause you jargon for your friend them. No one day you gotta give your bun around there, which is right. You should give your bread too and Johnny cake.
So you really, as my friend, let me tell you.
Come feel it.
Yeah, me only
Daddy,
feel it.
you make me run till me short of breath.
No, brother, I'm only there nothing. Nobody feel the way that, bro. Nobody feel like someone down there nothing, my friend.
Bad man, say
I'm only there nothing at all. You tell me it look like say I joke me around there.
Joke with gun. With gun. Man, come like a tech man for papi show you.
You know what I'm saying? Me do want.
If you do want, yeah,
when me draw the gun pan, you do. Me even draw no gun pan. You just so me said. I'm saying run off like you're mad. Me no draw no gun pan.
So wait. Me for wait till me see the gun come up for you shot me.
Then me I go shot you for. Then when me shot you, me I go shot you.
You bad me up feel like a piece of chums.
What?
But you may say still. But like operation me I go crush till you.
What that? Wait.
Alright, you know. I'm gonna get all that information yet. So I'm gonna get the information. I'm gonna get the information right and correct. Contact you.
You know, say Melissa gone with that for me gun. Right now, buy back one too, you know. Cause I see one pretty brown in one place, so I like it.
So weird. Oh, we can't do them apps then.
Yeah, eat that man by tomorrow. Me get my gun and look more. You idiot? What you talking about? Remember, you know. Remember.
Me tell you say now, what back at me do?
What?
You in front of me.
No, my friend, side by side we walk, my friend. I kind of walk back or in front of. No, my friend, side by side.
For sure, that bun up.
Yeah, man.
That bun up.
Yeah, man. Side by side, my friend.
Alright, no chatty still there, no chatty. What do you right thing? Just do your guys to do.
Yes, you know, nothing can give me right now. I'm thirsty, you know, no water in my fridge. Give me something, man. Anything you think. Anything.
Bad man. What you know? Alright, now pray now, yeah, man. Yeah, now watch it. Now watch it. At least I get something. About $50. You want, should I silver them me gear too? So go on. We want to rob man.
Are you? Look at you. You see your salt? Look at your salt. Look at my house. Since you come at my house, mash down because of you. Look at my house. Me tell you if you don't come and you come back here. Where you come back here for? Look at my house. You bring pure saltness. You go with man.
Ask one question. And me bring Melissa come here, so?
And then you bring Melissa, but you as you come in, your sister come in mash down.
As
Yeah, your
me
saltness.
come. But remember, say no, me have shares in this house too, you know.
See,
I don't fear one house, you
Listen
know.
to me. Look at it. Where's shares there? Where is the shares? His shares broke down. So not more than there so few. Yeah, your saltness, you go and back where I come from.
Really?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Sometimes me have to really wonder if me and your family.
Me dear, no
Look how
family
me
there,
you grew up. And what happened make you turn for me, so? Why problem?
You go with your man. Go and back to your man. Now come
So,
back here with your saltness. You go
I
with
man
man.
when me go, oh, so you didn't want the man.
But me do the man
Obviously
there.
you didn't want the man because it seems like I true me go with the man, you have a problem with
You
that.
were here well comfortable. Who tell you if you go with man?
So a man I problem, I see the procedure.
See,
so one time you go with your man, then me no say, me no cuss you, me no going with myself. So why when me go with my man, you have a problem?
Salt. You're salt. You bring beer salt. Look at the house. Boy, you put procedure. See, they brought down now. Go on back where you come from. I don't want you here. Go on. Go on back. We are no longer family. As of today, I'm no longer your family. Done here, so I don't want you back here. Go on.
Remember, so you wash your hand for me.
Me wash it.
Make sure you say no call me phone.
Call you for what?
Nor text me.
Me no need to call you again.
Make sure you say no shot or nothing.
Shut up. What me a man for? Go on back.
Go on back with me account.
You go on back to fear one. Where you used to usually boss for. Look where you now. Man. Me? Go on back. Me done with you. Go on back to your man. Brought down outside and I come back. Look at you.
Good.
What, because? Oh, yeah, go.
I got more ask you where you are walk on the road there do.
Boy, oh boy, rough part from the side. It look also me did that
Said,
kind
my
like
cousin,
that.
I'm glad to see you. Amount of people me say it's time blue. When I time to me can't get here, me feel like it's time blue. I know you light and something, you know.
Well, me do strong enough for you know blow my way. So what go on for you?
Boy, they are going only with the grace of God, you know. How are you?
Boy, look at tabernacle, me did stay and I blow away, you know. So me not know right now.
Do you even mention the part there? You know what's a family little board house there me have to blow down to? My backside a little toilet there on the back. That blow down to. Right now, a bush me have to hide than a cut piece.
You're lucky for your toilet blow down, all of my toilet standing.
Hey, me say, I grace of God make this a day, you know.
I
want light post me type and me say when me there in my house to backside. And look at me see light post drop so. Me say a Father God make this no drop too.
But you feel glad you have something. Me not have nothing left back my clothes
So
them gone,
I
everything.
can't sleep and cuss.
I mean, put it on two stand, me show you, cause you look like you want me show you.
No man, me can't sleep so comfortable with them thing there.
But
I
it
want-
better than nothing at all.
Chop
all in.
Chop all in. I want chop all in me lay down for the night time.
Oh God.
Me I say, when the wind come down and me say something just drop in my head so. And knock me knock out. Me
So
no remember
what
nothing.
you
Me only
did- are
know
you
say
one
when
did it?
me only know say when me eye out my back, me only see the place flat. And that's all me remember. Me no remember nothing else.
But you're lucky. I got saved you know boy. Me say I run me have to run out of the house. When time because the breeze just a lift up your house so. I have to run out. They says me run out of the house, me just see what I was blowing
So
gone.
give you next drama. You know remember for me woman name? In her migrant name.
tease.
I'm Melissa, I'm going to name me.
No, Jesus.
Me say me ride go up on yard yesterday and me tell him, say, listen, me say this a relationship here, it over. You see how Melissa wicked? Me say me know you're wicked to me say end this.
Look, but look, you know, cause you know, to say a girl no left not even one.
Hello? No man, Pinky, listen me now. Me left the money with your brother. Before this storm, me left the money in the brother. So what kind of money argument you ask me about now? Watch, you know, man. Thief not upon my name, you know, so I don't understand why that name my vocal. Say. That name my vocabulary. That's all. That name, yo, listen to me give your brother the money. No mix me up. Me not thief. Cause right now Melissa gone. Me not talk about my woman Melissa, the one who come with this storm. They gone in my house. I remove to take back the money there right now and build up my house. Yeah, alright.
So, cause let me ask you a question. What kind of money business you and Pinky in right now?
I want to look at money me get for deliver for you and I let her feed him brother. You know, so when me I give the brother the money, me say make sure say your sister get the money. And you want to tell me say no Pinky you can call me and tell me say me no give money.
And you know say I see him brother they make my man put me out. Because him brother thief one of my friend them money when me used to talk to when me used to name out him money and something. And the man come at me to me and say, you know say your man friend find me card and then take you all of my money go party and something. And then you know say my man a come in here and say that the man there come out. The man put me on to backside so that's why I'm not even have no inactive. Me explain to him, you know I hear no.
Can't know when I chop all in them cause
yeah,
and you lay down on one of them.
God know me nah no office sleep.
So where you going now?
You know say if you tell the truth, I say I just want me a walk for clear my mind.
Alright, me a ride on my bike to see if no woman out there can put me up because I don't know where I stay.
So woman have to put you up, you can go.
I can't man.
Some to one shelter, you can go on a shelter.
No, me too, what me say now? My leverage not there so.
But look at you, but you don't have nowhere and figure a shelter at least.
You should have make somebody put you up because you're a woman and only a man out there like you have. So don't worry about me.
Just go put one man put me up so.
I never said that. You see where your face is, what go on you go. Me don't give you all this. What go on you
go. For me like you attack ride the bike, look how you get black. Go on where you go.
And that's why your house blow down.
And that's why your woman have to left because I'm inside me. Volve. Straight rice here. Try one more. Hello? Auntie, what? Boy, but Diana, everything not alright. Why? Before you start my detail, my people them say me I come back down, but then did I cost me and I say me have to come back down there because they rent out the place and something, but me didn't end up go stay, but when me down there start blow away house. Until nothing no left back, nothing at all. Everything wash or gone, every single thing. To tell you the truth, I wonder if I could have come up a town come stay with you for some time until I go back on my feet and something because I think then it's going to work out for me, you know. Until I have nowhere to go, first and foremost, I don't want to go on a shelter them because you know say Me and that the type of person they figure shelter no, me not even close figure shelter, me not even nothing. So I say that yeah, me know say people can food and shelter, but me no want them the lifestyle they like. Me not gonna feel comfortable with all of that. More so we say me can come up there. Alright, me try get fear or something and come up there. Me have to get fear. Auntie right now, me stress out, you know, me stress out, confused right now, me that hurt me. I'm sure not even know. Me not eat too much days now. And me almost blowing nice time, you know, auntie. Me almost blowing. Alright, but me keep it posted and make you know when me a come and then look at something there. Alright, auntie. Yeah man, thanks. Yeah, later. Okay. Balby!
How you do ya?
What you mean what me I do ya?
What you do on me yard? Me tell you something, I don't want you back here. Right now as me see me get grieve as me see you, girl. I don't want you on my place, you know.
Balby, where you behave so far?
Me a behave, so how me
Where
a
you-
behave? How me a
You
behave?
know I say me have all person of a behave so with.
Me have
I
all
wonder if
person.
you know that. Remember so when I never have nothing there by your face and this a girl
Yeah,
there
man,
by
but
your
what
side
I know-
that look about you
You
and
see from
everything.
Melissa blow and your name there and Melissa pass and gone. Continue make me no want you here, I just want to continue. Just stay far.
What do you mean you want me continue to stay far? Remember say you put me out the day.
Yeah, because
The day before it start,
then me
you
put
know.
you out for you go on to your Rasta. You
Going to which
understand?
Rasta? Me not understand what kind of Rasta you talk about, but
Yo,
me
what
and the
kind of
Rasta
man?
no
Yeah,
dealing.
the Rasta no
And your
dealings.
friend thiefy man money and the man come
So
to
me ask
me
you one
and say,
question. Let me ask you one question. How you know say I'm a friend thief all of the money there?
because they see him on camera.
And I will come to you and tell you.
Him come tell
Alright,
me.
you and my friend, man. You can't tell me about you and him.
But me and the
That
man
kind of
are no friend.
Yeah, man, go on back, no man. Go on back, no man. Me no want you. Yeah, me alright being alone.
You know what?
Yeah, man.
Me no see sense me come here and try to
No,
force up
no,
on
you not see sense. And that me I try to show you, say me no want you see sense of it. Cause me no see sense you there, so force up yourself for me neither. That me I try to show you. And me can't take you no more. Right now, me
Why you
just
can't take no more?
you in my place.
Oh.
You gonna find Rasta.
Alright, no
Go and
worry
go find
yourself.
Rasta.
No worry yourself. But just know say, if anything happen, me thank God me never there with you when it happen to you. Yeah? Just stay upon the side where you're there. Remember say me know enough things, boy.
Go on, man. You don't know
Yeah?
nothing about me. Go on,
Remember
man.
that
You don't
little
know
dirty
nothing.
maga foot boy.
What make I know you?
Remember say me always did it for you. Remember say in the family they never did a look out for you and me did it for you. Remember say in a jail and me
But
did
yeah,
it for you.
talk.
Remember say when time you're
Yo,
sick
go on,
and
come
figure
place,
doctor
man,
and me did it for you. Remember
So
that?
go on,
Remember,
go on.
yeah?
Take your time and go on.
Remember say
It's my
America
time, I
did
tell you,
it
go on, kindly, go on, man.
What you
Go
can
on.
do? What you can do? I'm not afraid of you at this point. I'm not afraid of you because I guess I'm not have nothing to live for. So it don't make no sense. I'm afraid of you again.
Just say
I'm
you
afraid of
go
you again.
on, man. Go on, man. Go on, man.
Crosses.
Come down me yard, the foolishness. I've been take something and lick you across the face, police find me yard. And one bag of something. Yeah, still. Wow, something new brand in my place right now. All ISIS feel like say, I say you going to know say. You don't know say I feel me place this. This.
Oh, that sis.
Come here.
Go now. Boy, right now, I'm glad I see you right now. Where you going? She look,
I
What?
sis.
Yeah.
How much time I go run up my blood pressure?
What?
How much time I go run up my blood pressure? I know your mama.
No, man, I kinda, my last,
I sis, where package there?
package.
A package where puppy done let off your way there. Where the money
Me
there?
can't
Where
buy
it
them
there?
me can't buy them machine, brother.
Where money there?
Which package? Daddy, what you know? You see what for me there? Remember son no? Uno carry me near around the village on my teeth, man carry down one bag of things. You see what far me turn me yard and steal one put me in things. Yo, much time I don't share man disgrace me.
I sis.
You come, you see next thing. You see, me know say you good on your today. Then go tell you say, me rob a Brink's truck. And you go come believe, don't? You go come ask for Brink's truck money, don't?
Because if me give you 5,000 out of my bag, you take one next 5. Me no must believe.
No man, that different.
Me no must believe.
So take,
eh?
No, listen.
I sis.
No,
Where
yeah,
the money
listen.
there?
Which money?
Where the money you were puppy and give?
$5,000. What take from you?
I sis. Where the money they were
Me nah
puppy
no money.
and give? The whole heap of money.
Look here.
Where supposed to deliver somewhere? Where they?
To home me broke. At 5 o'clock now. Me wake up with this morning and I know me can't buy a boom. And me have money for you. Me get package for you. You come like your man.
I sis. Melissa never teach you. It's time never teach you one lesson if you stop thief.
Right now, piece of roof, that thing still gone. If me have money, I fix back my roof. But even my roof, me can't fix. You're not learning.
Because, let me tell you what you do now. You don't take your money and you buy beer rum. And that no look good for one big man like you, you know. You know, look good, you know. You suppose that, you see, if you're a thief and they use him, thieving money and do something good, he would do so bad. What you say? And you take your money?
So, let me say they give money for sure. You better be wise.
I see. Where you say you don't have no money?
You want to search me?
You don't have the money?
You want to search me? I'm going to search in my house. You want to search in my house? See there, little piece of plastic bag. See there, you empty. Leave a weed in the night. Go take off his zinc them off a rooftop to man. Everything people tell no believe. What I'm telling them, I don't even know them popular, no name so. I don't even know them look. Man, make sure you say hi since and give money.
You say, Melissa know when they do. When he mash off half of the roof, they were just because you see I know you, everything good. Everything good. Cause me I go back down there now, but everything
tell
good.
Tell him to describe the person you give money to. Tell him to describe
so
the person.
So who know my brother? Who know you?
I could me.
Who know you? So what if me be known and nobody know say me and your brother and sister?
No man, no people know that.
It's alright.
No people
it's
know
alright.
that.
Let me see this sir. Let me see
this
this sir.
So you take my piece of mine and go with the liquor rum.
Go on now, let Melissa finish you.
Now what kind of big sister you be? Yeah man, so me I go carry phone gear anytime I finish. Here. Yeah man, no problem.
My money there.
What you mean money? Me no done talk about money business already and me tell you so me deliver the money, me drop off the package to your brother. So you asking about money?
Yeah, what eat that tell me for?
What gentleman?
I eat that tell me for. My brother not no money. And my brother not tell me no lie.
Pinky, look for me good no man. You see me? Me is a youth where me a Christian. Me not officially Christian, but my mother bring me back in a church. Me that God bless you. Me not ramp with people money. So me that never ramp with the money. Me get the money and me do it. Me a boy, me just deal with my work and go and me yard.
What you say you do, Christian?
Me say me a go back to the church. Cause back in the days when me young, me a God bless you.
So you make your black
Me just do my work and go and me yard. I have one or two women and give me
Me
something.
say,
Me
me
get
want
something.
me make a turn back. Huh?
So you are dealing with me saying I town. Me a look a bike
Me no
taxi and
business.
bike punch
Me
up.
want to load your pride. I want everybody say you're a thief.
Me nah no
Thief,
money.
me want me money.
Yo, that's not man.
Because you not give, you not deliver. Oh, me a talk to you now. You not deliver no money. Easy way. Me a talk about where the money go. Because you not tell me if you know idiot out of sight. Money me a talk about.
No money.
I hit me combo. Hit me combo. Hit me combo.
Yo, that's easy man.
Hey, ramp with me now. Where the money there?
Yo, man ready but yo.
Ready where? Thief, where money there?
Yo, that's easy after blow up. Me tell you something, nah no money, brother.
Alright, that's see you next time I circle back. I don't have money for give me. You go watch me do with it. Watch me go do with it. You look a fat boy. Watch me go do with it. Yeah. Alright. Go taxi. I bet you not get no taxi out of today. How we are call?
Oh.
Anybody will come up for your bike, me I stop them. John Crow. Or Prazmite.
God, right now, my sister said, boy, see what I go on in the idea, yeah. Judge of God.
One day at a time.
Right.
Cause if me wish today I'm broke tomorrow. I just
Can I get the buckle of visa after them, Mr. Yeah, one buckle of visa. One. Right here, try to broke between them, Mr. Alright, how much that? Alright. You rough with them. Me I go through the elder. Never keep on the wrong time in and Billy. But you know you go. When the time is right.
Love the way she whine. Love the way she take outside. Get to use, get to tree. Public report. Because if it wish today I'm
Father, great barber. Where you going with? Boy, how is time I deal with you? What's your name? See how I want to. How much you back on the inside? Yes. So what can go on there, Father? Yes, I'm flash them too. You're going in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I say 9. Alright. Want the bucker? Yeah. I want give me one left in the flash. Yeah, so we'll start here. But I want the bucker too. Because this I can't go do, you know. Alright, right. So, hold on for this a minute. Check your cash, my father. Because you know we don't mix. I always say chop straight, you know. Alright. What's your name? Yeah, get a big boom and a boom. Yeah. Yeah, man, we get it swinging because Melissa blow you on my rooftop, you know, father. Watch out. I'm Miss Rona out blow up. Jesus Christ. Now tell me, say, man, yo. Jesus Christ. Melissa, one father. Pop!
Yo, listen to me. Me up on no lecture right now. See? That me I tell you. Because I know you feel, you're a pastor. Eh?
Public.
You're a construction builder.
What go on?
No mean say what go on. You see what go on, you blind?
Christ, that's how Melissa deal with the house. Father God, Melissa wreck Jamaica in name, Billy. So what? I want you.
What me say want to me? You know want to me already? Eh? I be a problem and see it make you worse here. And you see say that go on. Eh?
Yeah, what me I say, man?
How you come about now?
You all we have problem about the storm blue and gone. And me say me I come check you. More know if you're alright, more know if you're good. So you me come check.
So You go and check with empty hand, how? Empty hand, and you go and check me?
You know, so as I talk about that, me have one look package when me if you care for you.
What?
And I just slip because me I move fast, you know.
What kind of package you talk about? Eh?
Package, flour, sugar, rice and them things somewhere you can.
Come next sitting around with you. No,
Hey!
no Romanite? Myself no Romanite. No Romanite. Look, you look at me, man. You're my brother and you come here and understand me, bro. Me say they rob me, they rip me off and then this sitting there now make it worse. Nothing now go on, you realize that? Eh?
Brother,
No,
no tell me say,
I'm on
no
that
tell
bag.
me say you're drunk every minute.
Brother, I know matter drunk. Me tell you already, they rob me 1 week, me say me a drink and then me get my mind back together. You understand? And that's the situation.
You know,
So
sir,
you don't chat to me, man. Let me tell you.
you know, sir, lawyer, my brother, you come like you want big load of shit. Eh?
When me say me a
Melissa Blue and Ghana, you never try to do it.
if me a loader, I hear a latter. Eh? The box is there. Eh?
I just roam you want it. Me tell you something I want grocery come give you. If you put in your house and you talk about rum. Tap look on the people and pit the man.
Let me see the point.
I just that alone you love. Woman and rum.
Right now.
You know what problem? Me will tell you a problem, you know. See your house mash up there. See three them blow down round us there. Me know where you sit down and wait for you, because you're lazy, you know.
What am I for?
Different from the room where you sit down and wait for you. Where you do? Wait for the government?
Which government?
You wait for the government if you can't give you freeness.
You know where they? At Jamaica this. Them more for help. I make somebody come help you and then say them do it. You understand Jamaica this? Eh?
Don't you say no sense.
Oh, no sense. Rum, me a drink and you drunk.
You know see government now do nothing for you. At Jamaica do for one another.
So right now you need to give me some money to get some, drink some rum. That me I say right now I have to concentrate. And then we get back to normal. Remember say me's a boy, I have money, you know. Boy then rip me off. Eh?
You know
Boy,
say every time me say me now come up here come check you. Me don't know why me I come. Me don't know why Father God is screwing on my brain and tell me to come check you. Me come up here and the only thing you talk about is rum.
Yeah.
Rum.
So I can't solve this problem.
Me not give you no money. Anytime I left here so, me I go down for the grocery and me I carry back and give you.
Come do it. Me light it, man. Light it, man. So you think food alone can't do things? Eh? You think food alone can't do any food don't go on next? Eh? Me want to do something for myself, man, to make money. Eh?
Father God, you know me no wicked, you know.
But
me look, brother, that's a problem in my life. When me can make Melissa go along with him anyway in top.
Get out with you. Get out with yourself. Come on, don't play Melissa, so I'm going with you. Eh? Me know Sophia house good because concrete house you live in. Eh? I can live in a concrete house, you show up for me. Eh? You obviously soon buy solar system now. Eh? Solar system. Come on, I'm going to come out of me. That's what I do.
You see you? You're worse than Melissa.
Me worse than
You
Melissa.
worse than Melissa.
So
And you say you fit on. You see how also blow down? It's for a reason. It's your cause. I hope you realize I know on top of drinking. I go down on my yard. A matter of fact, me will come back up here and send me a send to the 2 pound of flour. And it a matter of fact.
I like it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Let's take time. Go ahead.
I don't know what make me a yard, brother. What make me a yard, brother? You look good.
Rum kill me, brother. Rum kill me, brother. Rum kill me, brother. Yeah, man, much long more, man. I say, I am Melissa family.
You know where me come up here for?
You know, let things say blow it down. Off. Wait!
Friday done.
Father, what you with?
Where you going now, teacher?
I'm there, man.
Think of an?
Yeah. I go on for your sister.
To my sister?
Yeah.
Which sister that?
You know, for your sister, man. Me and did a flick. Till we flick off or something.
Till we flick off?
Yeah.
Like a gymnast kids thing. Indeed, I go on normal out, man, still. I pray.
You know mention me?
Boy, I won't even know in a long time, man. You didn't even see a reason, you know.
So you can't put him back on her and answer her?
What you mean? Okay. Bad man, not your girl, man. I can't post, I can't talk to your girl as you please, you know.
See, a server.
I like your there, man. Me drink a special, no? You can put in a word for you, man. You put in a word, man. You serve a special for me, them, man. Yeah, you know where you go.
No, man. Watch out now. Deal with him. Watch out now, man. What's the one hot now, you know? So
Remember saying, man. Oh, we reason him good for you, man. Me make you know everything you want to know. Remember, man, we bring him right to your doorstep for you, man. If you grease the wheel, man, that you get the wheel moving. You know, Jai throat reason and working. I say, me there thirsty, me want craving, me didn't have a whistle, daddy. You know, I want help, but me have to help myself first. So you can help me out.
Listen, special, I say.
Yes, man. You start, yeah, man. Get the ball rolling, man.
Yo, a good words, man, put in, you know.
Oh, God, no worry yourself, man. I say, you know, you see junk coming, be better for you. Me have more lyrics.
Get him, we sort out.
Right.
But where say, you're making one still?
Let me say, no worry your brain. Alright. Thank you, love.
Right. See, I don't me the link up, man. A good thing me I'll see you. Just tell them something start.
No ball, man. No ball. Right. Yeah, man. I want me work for free. You understand
Because me never tell us, lady, me say sorry for the misunderstanding what go on, but it's not my fault. I never mean tell us if you send no money come down here, you know. I know me not problem, you know. No, you put me in one big problem, you know, lady. So what you mean by, lady? What you mean by that? Me can't even clean out my shop. What you mean by that? Hello? Me tell her, say. But I know, say, the lady not hear me do. Me understand how you feel because if I my money, me dey lose. Me no know how me would go on. I understand? Because you would pretty. So, me no... Lady, me not tell you, if you not kill up yourself, but not kill up yourself for me because it's not my fault. Lady, me do what you say for do, you know. Me do what you say for do. No, me not so hungry. Me not take your money. And me not thief. And when me want so much money in a life, me not go ramp with people things so nobody can ramp with my things. Lady, the year I go on now, me go sort it out. Me go make you get back your money. You understand? Because I don't want no problem with nobody at all. I go make you get back your money. And so you can just stop calling me phone and not introduce nobody to me again. Say me if you do this and me if you do that. Or even if you come yourself, spin back your roll and go on your way. Because let me tell you something, me can't take problem, you know. Me cannot take stress. See that now, me want to go bed and me can't bed because me feel away over the whole situation. Lady, in Jesus' name, just take a look at time and come up on the phone. Take a look at time and come up on my phone. I'm going to deal with it for you. I'm going to tell you again, I'm sorry for the misunderstanding what go on. You understand? Yeah. Hey, sis.
Yo.
Where's it now? Where's it?
You don't say do. I want to dog me see.
Hold on, before you talk, you see, before you talk, I sis,
yeah.
You see, if you know, say, you take the money, talk from now. Talk from now, say you take the money in the ISIS. Because you see, if me find out, say you take the money, I sis, me I go kill you and me go come at your funeral and ball for you and go on like say I know me killer. When me know say I me killer, me go in at the party. You see it, a party me and a call a funeral. Me go in at the funeral and go on like say.
Come like you love Jadon this guest for
Me don't know what do you, and me go ball for you.
But that kind of style them a charge you. Better me come in your yard, you know. Come like you're mad, brother. You come with the same argument. Anyway, that matter, but different thing me come to them. I say, see one little charge you on, so. Zane, matter of fact, get talk about money. You know when last me, can't even tell last me drink or a special and burn a crave nature. This is me look frustrated. And I see it, and so me look stressed out. And I maga down. You don't bother with the fuckery, man.
But you never ban fat ISIS.
You bother the foolishness,
man. Ban fat, you don't ban fat.
You may say still, you may say still. Long story short, my bag of root my root thing, you may say now. In Davidan, fear boy.
Who for boy?
Fear boy, man.
Eh?
Fear boy, man.
When me buy for me boy?
Dog, me know say boy, he been a think about in life and he say the only thing he do in life and I regret an idea when you and him stop talk. Me tell you, man tell me say he want massage your back and rub down your foot them fear. Man say right now, he wash your foot and drink your water. You don't believe in me? You wanna tell me how?
So what make you not go drink film? Wash what
you
make
take
you not
man
make
for you take man for some board man or sitting man.
Come like say you're sick in
Come
the
like
head,
you
you
wanna
know.
come mad
You
man.
come and go tell me
Oi, listen man. Me did I run my mouth to them and tell me say you want that special. Cause me tell you a long time I don't drink no rum. Oi, I want buckler me man boy. Me have to walk left because me shock. Me shock. Me say you want to see piece of cutter. So me say, yeah, me say, you just stress me about money and I don't know about. If a money you want, call Davidan. You hear see God send the blessings come and in Davidan in name. That my name.
You hear me say?
That my name.
Listen.
Pinky.
Listen.
Pinky. Isis me name, but me tell us, say.
My blessings come down different.
You
hear that?
God working mysterious.
Me and the boy used to dead, no, but too because you beg him a special.
Me name beg nobody.
And him buy you one buckle of rum. You feel like you can't come use a little Korean fish brain over here. So you hear me tell you?
Yeah, the boy Korean.
Nobody feel like you can't use a Korean fish brain over here. So this is what I say no ISIS. But if I don't joke thing with you, you and Davidan.
Me and Davidan. Are you
go?
Pinky and Davidan sitting in the tree, KISSING. Go and tell your husband, nobody with that man. You say, you look, matter of fact, nobody said that. But what I say is, he man look desperate. He man look like say boy, he come like he both dead. Come like say right now, if you not touch him or talk to him, you know, so I'm gonna look for him for dead up penna.
So I'm gonna go kill him and him.
You know, come get me here.
I'm gonna go kill him and him because you see, you know. The only thing that on your mind and money. You hear what you tell me now? You want me to go where you call it there. Rip him down. So you can go floss. Because that is the only thing that on your mind now.
So
go floss like a junkie.
So
and broke tomorrow. And so you come like rich and poor in a one.
Tell about
poor and rich.
You see
and some have it spinning
around.
Rich and poor, poor and rich.
You see people like a holding out.
And so you want to live.
And
you say when you rich, you would have unhappy you.
Me? When me unhappy?
Rich and unhappy.
When me unhappy?
If you're poor and unhappy, so when you get rich, your worst are going to unhappy.
You see when God give a sense, you live way in the line. Me see it. But anyways, me come go me because I run a pot. We connect. You know the shops. Me just say
when God did that, you were the man them on earth and I be the man them. You should have done the girl line because you're a thief. Oh. Just go on your ways, yeah. Mister, just go on your ways. You see, when God did give you the line for your man, them, you should have done the girl line because you're a thief. A woman alone love money, so.
Remember saying, you're my bigger sister. And children live what they learn. If you never thief, me wouldn't call thief.
Come right there, so I don't respond to you, know. Me and your friend for a long time, and that this year, this. When me things out, me beg you to collect. Me just left to Kingston, and you take me things, Pinky, me say you go collect. Me no want you nothing from you. You this me and you laugh every time you do that something. Yeah.
But can me have to laugh because they hold me up like some me in a business and me. Them not.
When you talk about the business, look here, put on clothes for your talk.
When you
No
talk
ramp
to
with
me.
me. That's when you come up on the woman thing and the business. Don't play with me. Pinky, a long time me and friend. Long time, family friend. Me take you for my one blood sister girl and you really do this to me? After you tell me how the shipping company cost you how much money. Me just tell you say me I got town go spend 1 week girl and beg you collect something for me and this I do to me. Why parcel there?
Listen to me, because me get serious now. Let me tell you something. Me don't want your money, you know. Me not thief your money.
I know money alone,
Listen,
the money and the parcel where there.
Listen to me, and the parcel if you worry about, you know, and the money if you worry about. Me not take your money.
So you never collect your parcel?
Go to the youth, and the youth say they give me brother hit, and my brother say, you know, him have the money, and I go back to the youth, and I jape him up. Listen to me,
no,
where you take your money, you would somebody know.
Hold on, you never collect the parcel? Where you say? Me not worry about the parcel, worry about the money.
Me say,
but it was them a for me, girl.
And the money, no worry about the parcel like if you worry about the money, because the money more enough
so
for
the
more
parcel
value.
Still there at the shipping company?
Me don't know about the parcel, you know. Oh, my parcel.
So you not collect it?
Huh?
So the money missing and the parcel missing. And if you ask your brother, so you give your brother the money with your
Listen
ID if you go call your
Listen
name,
to
me tell
me.
the people.
Listen to me, I see the parcel. Remember say Melissa mashed down the place. So the parcel like say, when I go there and ask them people, they say they don't know which parcel me they talk about. I mean, not really worry about the parcel, you know, the money. Because if they take the money, it would be so bad. Because if me this spend it, probably would have spend it for something. Then a party I spend it for one high liquor. Or would have do me here or something. You would have so bad, you know. You would have so bad.
You know,
But
say
it's true,
take
me
it
not
for
take
joke.
it. No, me not take it for joke. Me say it's true, me not take it now. It hurt me. Because you blame me. I tell you, it's just a misunderstanding.
Alright, so what you trying to say?
Blame me.
Melissa blow away the money and blow away the place where you parcel it.
No, blow away the money, you know. Somebody take the money. And nobody now own it. And me tell you, say, make me sort it out. But you know want me sort it out. You want to go sort it out for your own?
Alright, well yes. I sort it out for my own right now because you responsible both for the parcel and the money. Now you say me no fi worry about parcel and the money me fi worry. Look, listen to me. You look like we will want to take me for idiot, you know. That's why the girl when care come to me, you know, but are your friend and she a good friend. I remember say she forgot me money the last time, you know, because you trust girl, you know. And go introduce me to girl, you know, and make girl go collect money for me already, you know. Western Union, you know, and see they gone. And you did end up a 50 back in it's me you almost fall out. So I want to know this thing you go now.
The money. You see the youth when he puppy down and him me go to and him have him in a suspense right now. And him, me feel like the boy take money, you know. But he want to come blame me for my precious brother. He look a fat one there.
Fat.
Yes.
Kind of big belly one way.
Where I run taxi there, look a short fat one there. I don't like him. Me just want to lick him in the face.
I him thief it?
Me say me feel like I him thief
girl,
money.
if you're sure say me and you go
I'm thief money.
I'm thief money?
I'm thief money. Because my brother would have never done, my brother no thief.
And you know say Puppy Dan know say me and him not depend on good terms already, you know. Because you don't know what Puppy Dan do me one time, you know. You don't know say Puppy Dan can one man go introduce the man to me already. I can't tell me about I'm done this. And he need a woman like you and him say he find you attractive and him a look a woman kind of single. You don't know what Puppy Dan do. Set up a man, you know. Set up a man to come on me yard, come thief me TV. But a long time me have a Puppy Dan, you know, because I report him at station, you know. And the police then give me one paper say anyway me see him, if call them, you know. And no, me not be holding back again because I hide from you. See, anyway me see him, that make it worse, so you go tell me this youth. Yo, you know what?
Me see me jape up the boy over there, you know. Me jape him.
Anyway, me and a friend,
and
me sorry.
Me say,
see how me hold a little while.
business because I have no money, you know, this and that. Me say, I have to go to. I'm thief money.
But look here, me alone can't go to him and me have to go to him because you are say him. Me can't just go to him, me can't prove it.
Yeah, me go to him. Me you have to
you
go
sure
to him.
say him?
I'm thief money.
For a long time one call police for a boy there, you know.
Somebody named the panny, you know. For him name and my brother name. My brother live for years. My brother would have never thief money.
How young Puppy than a friend? That the boy not even like brush teeth. And some dirty clothes, I'll tear out body clothes me see me now sitting on barefoot on road. Maybe I no fiend bike him and ride that somebody bike. I'll thief him can't thief a bike. You or your friend with them people there.
Sometimes I wonder how me and him become friends, you know. I mean, I understand you say I look fast and you know the people, them just watch out my business somewhere. So
yo, don't watch them, you know, them alright. We are talking to business. So if you know, if you're sure,
listen,
say him.
I will go to the boy and him take the money, we are go to him. You understand?
So you see
and
me
my
now?
brother name have to be clear because I know say him take the money. Here the boy no. Go on where you gonna, girl. Go on where you gonna. You see me around the taxi. Me say I'm gonna fix a business. So me tell him say.
I'll see your brother, I don't really like him still for a long time, you know, because when me and you just a did friend, and they come go on like I say, you know, want me to be friend like us, he man go on like me and him and say, as somebody he man look anyway. As someone me did I go still, you know. And me sorry for all you so many people them sick. Because me vex about my money, girl. Look, 1 week me stay at town and they depend on the past.
You see, and I say, "Fall, must be your friend, you know."
Alright, here.
No matter me your friend. You understand? Say, for the one girl,
just plan one day, make me go look for Puppy Dad. Alright, no one lock up him. And he have to give me things if I am have it up.
Oh, you say, man.
What you say? When you go down there? Because I want you.
We are going Thursday.
So you know where you live? You know where
Puppy
Puppy
Dad live?
Rose and skirt, girl, you know, long police, they look for that there. Kind thief, he set up with the man, you know, for thief, me thief youth. When you say I go down there? Thursday or when? Tuesday when?
I get this clear. One pink, you know, me run program long time, you know.
Yeah.
Thursday we are go down there.
Thursday?
Yes.
Alright, so me I go to the road, I know. Alright, look more.
Yeah, later.
Yeah.
How much does it if you put on the clock and something?
So 6,900 bro, me not kill her bro.
6,900, what do you mean by that?
6,900 I'm work for you bro. So me have 600 belly pitney on me yard now bro. I have a feed me pitney them bro and mind me woman thing bro. What you mean by? Give me a cokehead you.
Yo, me have to go pay you tomorrow because I don't understand that the figure they...
Yo, friend and business don't work yes bro.
But I don't understand the figure the way you talk bro.
Give me today bro.
Hold on.
Let me make a note bro.
Hello? Listen what I go on now. Me send off the money long time, you know, me carry grown at a place so me fi deal with it, you know. So me not understand every minute, you know, I call my phone and I see me in the street and I tell me about money. Me let off the money get pinky brother already. So me not understand no ask me about money. Yo, listen man, me can't bother the confusion, you know. If I that me not go do no work, do no again, you know. Cause me let off the money one if I let off, you know. What you mean? All pinky ass me in the town and I try to disgrace me. Yo, here what I go on, man. Right now, me have different problem I try to solve. Because me have one figure right so me even understand. So no just match up phone business. Here what I go on, father. Me a give money. Me a go look about you and come back. I don't understand how you talk about 6,900. Boy.
Asha, Pinky, good evening. Where are you with? No man, see me man, come on, good evening. Oh, you look nice, sir.
Me a going wrong.
No man, I just a weird.
No, me forgot to me if you go so and me end up come this way.
Boy, right. Okay, easy man. Your brother not tell her nothing. Your brother not send a message to you, Pinky. What you say? What you tell her, sir?
Where you stop me for?
Pinky, you know, sir, alright, long and short, you know, so me not tell her like, you're my best ex. I'm not telling her right now, you shouldn't be my ex. Right now, I mean, you should have said,
what are the best what?
Ex.
Say it again.
You're the best ex ever. You shouldn't be one ex.
So I done maths work now?
No. You done my future. You should have there in the present, but right now you're my future, come in there again. So me I say still think, how do you did see your brother, I tell him, say, yo, tell us, say, yo, mother want me to talk back and sit, and as you can see, I hope me to come off here now. You so I get all like 5,000 between me and you, I get 2 care package. And one of them right now, I want to give one of them.
Care package?
Big
you care package?
Big one, them with the whole heap of sardine
no. Hold on. Give you care package?
2 of them me have, man, so I can't give you one.
You know, so this was something obia do. This was something obia.
So you don't have mackerel and sardine?
You was something obia, God know. I not going to tell no lie. Not even want nobody peep through them window and see me and son of place. You was something obia. David, I'm telling you something now. You see, next time you go to my brother and give me a message, you can't give me. You go see what me do with the two of you. Me say I go see what me do with you and do with him. That's why me I could do the right out through. You know why?
Why?
You always feel like you want to go and take your money and catch me. And take things and catch me. And you know I'm not that girl. I must stop it. You know see say it not work.
Pinky,
eh?
me know
Me
that.
don't want you drunk how much time I tell you so me don't want
Pinky,
you.
me know that.
Eh?
Why watch that? Yet me ain't enough for the for me give a care package. Me give you said we a cut. Pinky, me love.
You try draw to me.
No.
And that's why you want to give me care package. You try draw back to me. And it not go work.
Pinky, if
no matter how much Obi man you go, it not go work.
Me not go Obi man.
Eh?
Allah ya tell me no.
Remember you not go Obi man. Look where you look. Eh? Look where you look now.
You see how me I come from?
And boy, you have 5,000. And that you may say that for your farm, you know. Me say you have spend much money, you have buy much rum, you have buy much this. And you need their work. But soon as the money gone down now, you're going to make one little 5,000 come in and feel like you're all and come back and introduce me to care package. Take the care package there and fix your face, fix your foot, fix it. Hey, me don't want to tell you, hey, me don't want to disrespect you in the evening, you know.
Not do that, man. Not do that.
You know?
Not do that. You don't have to do that. But what me I say? Alright, forget the care package. Sorry about that. Sorry, so me tell us I get paid. That's not my intention. I just want to say Pinky, me miss you for true. That's why I even tell a brother to tell her.
Miss me?
Miss you for
Me
true.
dead?
No, you can't dead. If you're dead, me dead back. If you're
Nah,
dead, me
man,
take my
you know,
life
say,
and
you
put
know,
in you.
You know this a lifetime. I see everybody just take me for one big game stack, you know. I see everybody take me for one big joker. What you mean by if me dead, I go dead back?
Take my life and put in you. You can't dead. How if you dead? Mad man, me not even want to think about that. God rebuke that.
Left when me a left. You touch part of your brain.
How you know? I said thing me I
like,
think.
me feel like it's a me would say madman na clean clothes. Cause see then now you're turning living stock madman. Cause what way they tell me so now? Look, listen to me. Me nah bother go the way. See, so when you see me on the right, take it left. So when you see me on the left, take it right. Me no want you give no message you can't give me again. And me and no dealings. And me and now go back in these. Even in the afterlife, me and I go back in no dealings. So take me out of your future. I don't deal back with me. Don't chat to me when you see me.
We can't hug first.
Yeah.
Pinky.
When I see me not chat.
Pinky.
For me take the story and bust your head with it.
Yeah, me carry care package to come on.
Carry care
Me a
package.
carry come here.
Go give up. Hey.
Pinky,
hey.
Pinky, me carry come
Hey.
man. No watch no face.
I told me respect your hey. I told me respect your family because them are so nice people them that tell me if you carry the care package there, you know. Alright. Oh. Catch you on me and me chop you up.
Me a call you come on.
And I'm matter of fact, me not afraid of the way you me a go.
That one here, come on.
The way you me a go.
Come on,
me
man.
say go pan it. Hey, go pan it right.
Pinky, come on, no man. Now stop me, so no. Come on now.
You say if
Pinky. Ah, go on. Pinky, go on.
see, watch me here.
Go on, no man. Christ. Forget about this end, bro. Forget that, man.
One day I
The
get tired.
subscriber free. The subscribe
Cause
yet.
if me wish today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. I live my life like I just win the lotto. My dream, buy big Benz and dress lean, shell every bar like a crime scene. Do you know what I mean? Know what I mean? Wish today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. Me I live my life like I just win the lotto. So me I go come millions. Got me gal on the billion. She a act so silly. So me Africa Shelly belly big bubble. Love the way she whine. Love the way she take outside. Get to use, get to tree. Public report. Because if me race today, I'm broke tomorrow. I just saw it go. Me I live my life like me just win the lotto. Hey, ain't no Ponzi scheme. This is just a dream. Yeah. Cause if me race today, I'm broke tomorrow. I just saw it go. One life to live, one mouth to feed. Yeah. Pasta, burger, chicken, pizza, curry goat. Still none yam no pork. Goodbye my grill. See you until me broke again.